Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yo, Miss Jamaica Philly 50. Miss Jamaica Philly 50. Wagwan. Welcome to the family. Sophia Dixon, big up for your rose, you know. Big up for all who give and a contribute and that's something there. Up there.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody! Listen it! I Mixup An Blenda time!
Indeed. Oh, I go and TamFam, big up on yourself, you know, Cara, large up yourself. God favors, big up yourself, everything is everything once. A big respect to Massive and crew, big up yourself, and up so, wrong so, down so, over so, under so, back so, down so. Yeah. No black said, no new start, man. Who of them? You're good at MC work. You went to Melrose Farm Estate in St. Ann. Yeah, man. I love MCing. Yeah. If me get hired for do MC work every weekend, I'm gonna be happy and whatever. And I'm good at it. And I'm flexible. If I bossy people thing, switch it up. If I overlook people, you know, whatever, switch it up. And, you know, love that something there. But big up on yourself in the afternoon, you know, and thing, you know. It's been a busy day, people. Wednesdays are generally busy for me. My kids have, two of my kids have half day on Wednesdays, you know. So Wednesday is daddy day with them, you know? And then when that time, all kind of thing, you know, they have to do some that. When we bring them back to their mother and all these things and whatever. So Wednesdays are quite, you know, it's fun though. It's fun though. You get to hang out with the kids, them and thing and whatever. But Wednesdays, I'm a fun day, I'm a kids day and thing like that, you know. So plus all kind people, not careful out on the road there, you know. Me no know how I'm to them people. It's like, well, me talk about New York City, but probably Jamaica too. It's like once December come and come down to holiday, people just start drive different. People drive crazy already in New York. We know that, you know, already, you know. You have certain cities, people just drive crazy. Chicago, LA, New York, and think people just drive crazy. ATL, Atlanta. I love to see you being interviewed on Vlad TV. I'll suggest that they reach out to you. Okay, do that. Yeah, tell them, yeah, give me a link. I will see what can go on. But I don't know how I go on. It's like say once December come around, is it, I agree? I don't know. It's like once December come around, people just start Ebony Chambers. Raga, I am looking a loving man. Ebony, I mean, she not know me. She just say in general, she look a loving man. But Ebony, I know you alone reach out, you know. You have some people that say, Raga, you can't do one dating thing and whatever. But me I put something together where that can go on in. I just trust me, just, you know, just work with me, yeah? All right then. But so Ebony, I look one loving man. Listen to me, if there's any loving man out there, Ebony say you're surprised. No, I'm not surprised, you know, Ebony, that's surprised. Well, you would have surprised to see what going on there, but probably you wouldn't. There is some, I don't know what's going on out there, but probably the pickings are too wonderful out there, you know. Ebony Chambers, join me What do you mean, Ebony? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean. When you say join you, what do you mean? On the live? What are you live right now, Ebony? Baby girl Jay said too much licky man out there. Poopa Jesus. I don't know, but people, ladies talk to women talk to me, like no looking things or whatever. Women reason with me. A lot of women reason with me, but men too, but mostly women, But oh, by the way, I have two things to talk to you about tonight, before we go into the box and thing or whatever. Because look like me I do too. Well, me I tell them. But anyway. Oh, you want to tell me something? You can come up in the box, Ebony. Do you on the live, right? So come up in the box. You just send up a request and we'll talk. All right. I don't see you in the box yet. So when you come up in the box, we'll talk. What was I saying? Me, I just jump all over the place. What was I saying just now? What was I saying just now? I want me did that talk about a while ago. The driver them in December, don't? That me did that talk about, don't? Yeah, man, I tell them I don't know why when it come down to holiday, it's like, no, I get to them two things. When it come down to holiday, them just start drive crazy, I'm not careful out the one I drive on the road, man, because, when I'm go up, man, I say, go on. I send them to, I say 2 minutes to write it either, and, I've been working diligently on controlling my temper, right? So when them come and whatever, I don't want to send them up, which part and I'm relative them for go and whatever, so I just allow them, make them go on, in foolishness with them, So when I say, yeah, so somebody did not come up in the chat, but I probably accident, so I take them down, because them thing now come true, correct? No, not coming true. All right. So talking about, what the lady they just say, whatever. Yeah, like I tell you, people talk to me, Junior X, big up yourself, my dog. Big up yourself. Right? A real big singer that, people know that. But anyway, so you know what I say now? So people, people talk to me, confidentially, of course, and I'm share them thing. And then there's stuff that I can share with, and there's stuff that I ask them, say, I can't share this. Of course, I not call them name, but I still ask, and I can't share if somebody talk to you with something in confidence, or even if it's not stated that it's in confidence, but, them just speak to you alone. I don't want them to go say, oh, I'm hear him with it on the show after. Even if I not call them name, that could be potentially jarring, particularly if the person was speaking to you about something like, rather sensitive and thing like that. So I always ask people if I can mention this or whatever, even when I disagree with them or something like that or whatever. So the two things I'm not going to tell you about, I did ask. And I'm like, okay, whatever. But when people talk to me, counsel them and things like that and whatever, or sometimes it's not even like formal counseling, sometimes it's just big brother. Yeah, So I think, quite a few people appreciate, what I have to say on some relationship issues. And usually, even when we don't agree or we don't reach some sort of favorable consensus or conclusion or whatever, something productive was still done in terms of what was fleshed out or whatever. And because I'm pretty good at asking the right questions, when people bring something at me for them to think about whatever issue they're dealing with and things like that, from my counseling days and things like that. But look like me I do too well lately, because the last two people them beat me. Them beat me, I'm gonna give them. So the first one is this. See, with the lady there, Ivani was saying, so she basically saying that she want a man, right? So, and she asked how to go about it, where to go and all these things and whatever. So, the I give her, and I say, what type of man you want, whatever, and then boom, and she go in there. Now, after me listen what type of man she want, me never say nothing, me just tell her, I say, well, with them something there, really, that the man the way I look for, and you're not gonna find them man there, I don't know, club and them something there, or whatever in general, so you have to find them man there, them will go, them type of man there where she attack, them usually busy and work, and them not really a good. So you have to find them in a certain settings with them. But go some say financial festivals and things like that, or expos or thing, whatever. So she must say this is some kind and give a look when she attack about the man them she want. Now let me just say this is an attractive woman, and she makes 6 figures, well above 6 figures. But the type of man she want now, I don't know about the 666. Nothing to do with the biblical thing and the mark of the beast, but the 666 thing here in America is women tend to want 666 men, which he needs to be making more than 6 figures. He needs to be taller than 6 feet. And he needs to have at least 6 inches and more up, right? So that's the whole 666 paradigm. So she's well into that. Nothing wrong with that, except we already know, we discussed this already, that's really a small percentage of men. The men who are above 6 feet, who make more than 6 figures, and who have 6 inches or more, it's really a small percentage of men. Plus, once you identify that demographic, a lot of them already married or taken, or they're gay, or them psycho. Them chop you up with an axe or whatever. So it's slim pickings already. So she had to tell me something else, I'm kind of going to say, you must know what you want, but be careful or you limit yourself, because you may just end up in that classic conundrum that a lot of women find themselves in, where they have raised their stock, and most women don't date down, right? It's a thing with women. Men, it's normal for men to date down, but most women who raise them stock, them want a man who's comparable to them or above. That is just a thing, okay? But here's the thing, she's 45 years old. Remember, the 666 dead already, she's 45 years old. And she says she wants a man who not have no picnic yet. Now, here's the thing, people. I am sure there are men out there who are above 45 and not have a picnic yet. There's lots of men out there older than 45 and not have no picnic yet. Lots. But all I was saying to her was like, is that a hard no with the kids? And she's like, yep, that's a hard no. And she's like, what's wrong with that? I'm like, there's nothing wrong with it. There's a lot of women who don't want any to be with a man who have kids. I'm just saying, but those women are usually 20s, 30s. Oh, you're discriminating against me for my age. I was like, no, I'm not discriminating against you for my age. So why you saying that if the man them exists out there, whatever, why you think me can? I said, I never say you cannot get one. You know, the argument I was making is, you already want the 666. The man have over 6 feet. The man have make more than 6 figures. And him body have to be a minimum of 6 inches or more. That is already a small demographic. And even within that demographic, enough of them man they get scooped up already. Are them gay? Or you're just not going to align with them in terms of personality and whatever. So, right? So I'm not tell her what she should do. I'm not telling a man no exist, you know, for over 45 without chin. I'm just saying you already, in terms of your criteria, it's already, severely limited. So she going like say I have something for gay and all tight and thing. I was just saying to her, like, is it a hard no with the kids? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, yeah, well, yeah, you're at 40. Oh. And she said she can't deal with no man younger than her. She can't deal with no man younger than her. She don't want a man younger than her. So she's 45. She don't want a man younger than her. And she don't want a man who have kids. And he must have made more than 6 figures. And he must be taller than 6 feet. And his body must not be below 6 inches. Isn't it just reasonable for me? Don't it make sense that I would say, yo, the kids thing, is it a hard no? You sure? She got offended and, I'm just saying theoretically that person is out there, But in terms of like grounding yourself in reality, like, what your options are. And that is a problem afflicting a lot of women out there, And a lot of nice women, who, them go through a thing in them life and they must say, I'm going to work hard and increase my value and build myself and thing. And them go them school and them, diligently and them work hard and do them thing and whatever. And, and just reach a point now and they must say, yeah, I'm ready for a partner now for share this with and build with and thing, And then, them have the Kimberly complex too, right? Remember Kimberly come out one day and say, when I build with no man again, when I build with no man. So, she know want a man to build with. Most of them women nowadays, once them work hard and reach for them there, them want a man who film things set to and established to and whatever. Them not build with no man and whatever and all them things there. I just think it's a tricky scenario, Shane. So that one I never end up too well for me. I'm okay, but me just I say whatever she's going through. And there are some people who would talk about their issues, but they don't really want to resolve their issues, The goal is to just talk about their issues. And I reach a point where I realize that she might well be one of those people, So again, you have people who they just love talking about their issues. But when you're speaking with them, you have to pay attention to know if this person, if the goal is to resolve her issues, his or her issue, whoever you're talking to, or whatever. And by the way, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, there's nothing wrong with that. And a lot of men tend not to understand that with women, right? Sometimes women just want to talk about them problem. That's it. And them just want a sensitive, caring, compassionate ear to be listening And when them don't talk about them problem, nothing is solved. But when them don't talk about them problem, they feel better. Now, some of them will even thank you after, thank you for just listening to me, and not judging me and whatever. I really appreciate it. I just needed to get that out and whatever. So there's nothing wrong with just talking about your problems. So don't believe that I'm disparaging her, given that I've kind of, deduced that she just wanted, like a sounding board and thing like that and whatever, which might be, infused with a little bit of attitude to her and so forth. Sometimes if you're a good listener, you have to take a couple of that little beating there too and things like that. But I think that's where she is. But I think there's some genuine frustration there also in terms of what the pickings are like out there for men, successful women, women who them not hungry, them have them money, them can feed themselves, them have them clothes, them car and whatever, look a saving, some investment and whatever. I have to understand a woman like that, me. I say. Ideally, I don't really want to pick up a man who flat out, I want to pick up a man who at least him think balance up certain way because, But even that reasonable and humble standard or requirement for what the partner is supposed to be, a lot of women are finding it difficult. A lot of women are finding it difficult to find a partner out there. You see, what's she name? The J say, yo, I be a licky man, Sherry. Yeah, man, yeah, my only man out there right now, I look at sugar mommy right now, Yeah, the only bad thing I'm going out there right now. So I never do too well with that one. The second one. All right. This man is dating a woman, right? And I'm a date and take her there. Now listen what the man say happened 2 times. Listen what me going to tell you, say the man say happen 2 times. Now, what he was talking to me about never have nothing to do with the thing what happened 2 times. I must admit, never that him talk to me about, right? But it came up. So it came up and I just made mention to like, never tell you, But again, I hear me dep on it said happened 2 times. I date this woman, I talk to him about some other things and whatever. But in talking to me, this thing I come up. She come over him house. Them do what them I do. And she forgot her underwear over in yard. Not 1 time. 2 times. 2 times. Ladies, only can correct me if I'm wrong. No. When you have somebody there for a while, and you're totally relaxed, it's both of your space, even if you have a visiting relationship or whatever, on there for 2-3 years and whatever, and if something like that happen, which is rare, we can understand, You have crazy couples and rip off clothes and draft drawers and whatever. It's like, boy, we going bad last night, but don't even know what my drawers say. You don't see my drawers or whatever, boom, bam, man. That happens, right? But ladies, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but it is my understanding that women are generally very particular about where their underwear is, right? And that even when women are in a secure space with a man, where them can just let loose and dash with this, from what I know, because I read a lot of books, right? Right? So from the many books that I have read, It is my understanding that don't care how crazy a woman get, when she done and one more panty them. You know, say you drive my drives over this and thing that you never did over automatic. Woman and look for them drives. Yeah, in a craziness and the passion and the this and the that and yeah. Sometimes just fling my in and when we draws the man. Sometimes that a go on. And that nice too, you see. Yeah. And then we are drawing on a woman and just dash away. But what me I say is, woman when them done and them won't panty them. No man did have it over yesterday man when you catch me at the edge of the bed. Where you put automatic, woman I look for them draws. So I do me say to your dog, say, yo, she do that deliberately, you know. So I never tell him say if stop talk to her or nothing, you know. All me I say to him, I say, listen on. When a woman do them something that deliberately, you know yourself. That's all me I say to him, say, know yourself. If you want to go forward. In my experience, there's some things when women do some things and try you and test you with something, you have to know what is what. Sometimes you juggle with a woman do something, then beard and left them underwear in a bathroom and thing and whatever. That's another accident. If a woman come over and thing and whatever, and she bring her toothbrush and left her toothbrush in your bathroom, try know that is a test. Know what you do. If you go forward, you go forward. Nothing wrong with that. You still can't go forward if I say so you're dead. Mama just say some things that woman do. Just know say. I want little either unconscious or conscious test. I reach you right there, so. And if you ignore it, right? If a woman come over at your yard and brush her teeth and left her toothbrush in your bathroom and you don't notice that you don't acknowledge the significance of that and whatever, right? When certain little heat reach and whatever, you have nobody to blame but yourself, right? So all me did I say to him was like me and said, Dad, one, no woman no forget them drawers. Woman no do them something there. Where she go do it 2 times? I mean I say, well, me did kind of say a little thing too, but and theme argument was that no, I just accident, she not stay so. That she not deliberately do it. And all I was saying to him is that women generally don't accidentally forget them drawers at somebody's yard 1 time, much less accidentally forget them drawers 2 times a man yard. All I'm saying is, no, woman not do them something there. And I did kind of make a little statement like, yeah, you know, what you think about her? Like, you think a woman like that forget her, you know, go a man yard and forget her drawers and gone. You know, we kind of insinuate something I say. You know, you get in there, because any woman who go but she go a man yard and forget her drawers and then gone home without her drawers or whatever. Not even gossip, but me I say, yo, just know what you do, man. Know who you deal with, you know. You understand? Know who you deal with, right? And if you're cool with her, fine. But don't fool yourself. The type of woman who go man yard and forget her drawers, I don't know that there's a particular personality there. And you have to know if that's a personality you know, because he's into her, but you don't know what. He look like a girl, you know, the typical weakness of man, you know. He look like goods, bad like yours, pan dash out, you know, man. Yes, man. He look like goods after something, man. Having weak, man. And whatever, but you know that's something that when woman like my one a man here, me go lucky in a man here, whatever. That's what she did, you know. And that's what she left for jazz him, you know. Right? that is equivalent to, you know, dog and lion and then sitting there a piece and I left them mark, you know? My territory this, right? When woman do them something there, sometimes it provokes a discussion that when they manage that discussion, it take the relationship on another level. By what I mean is, let's use a toothbrush. So if a woman leave her toothbrush and whatever and thing like that and convene, and then you go see the toothbrush, what can happen then? She will say, if you not say nothing, you know, them guys will say, well, you have a problem with me leaving my toothbrush? You see, where you answer after that? She are listening, you know. And your answer might be, oh, me need to work on him some more, or oh, him not interested in me, or oh, him only want to sleep with me. Women do, when a woman don't do them something, they say, him not say nothing. Oh. But you have a problem when me leave my toothbrush? No, man, no, not a problem, man. Cause, you know, you know, I'm comfortable with you and thing like that, you know, and whatever, and you know, can I do them something there, you know. But true, we've been doing this for a while and stuff. I guess we just end up just, you know, we feel comfortable. But you know, no problem. You have a problem with it? Or you know, no problem with it? Good and thing like that. Yeah, and it just opened the door, you know, for a deeper substantive discussion about where the relationship going. Because sometimes woman on a beat man then we ain't there, you know. Because if a man not say nothing, you know, on a provoke a discussion about that thing that you've been thinking about in terms of your objective for lacking the man. You understand? And then sometime man end up go just say the nice thing for not offend her, which is wrong. Right? You have to be like a little drunker like me, you know, who's generally, you know, respectful and thing, but me see and pull them something. You have a problem with the toothbrush? Yes, we have a problem with it, you know. You do? Yeah. I mean, you know, do you do that? Like, I mean, flip it around on them, you know. Some say, you do that, you walk around and just leave a toothbrush all about, yeah, man, and flip it on them and make them get defensive. They must say them do it, you know, for put you up on the spot, you know. You know, flip it around on them, man. So you may have a problem with it, man. Come here, wonder, oh, you just go left your toothbrush, so you go around and left your toothbrush all about. You go that you do and what? No. I'm not saying, oh, that was the problem I have with it. But anyway, so after that discussion, the message is sent, say, hey, oh, I'm never too comfortable with it, you know. And you just put them in a check, you know, and them some of them the fast with it that we there again and come at you them look, we there again or whatever, but you have other man in a position, you know, them will just end up and say the right thing for not offend the woman, you know. But which are that the woman want to, you see what I say? You know, so if you go play games with me, yeah, if you play games with a game style, yeah, you remember, you know, yeah. So yeah, play the player. But anyway, I just did that say to the general and say, yo, that woman here, we never really emphasize the part, but you know, me say something along them lines, but we never emphasize the part. They're like, what kind of woman left for a drive some money hard 2 times? But the part of me did I emphasize to him that this is not by accident. And the man hold it, man, and said, no, an accident. Man say, yeah, she forget her panty 2 times. I'm here. And you just let it go. I saw him there, you know. Everybody have to trot them on the road down and figure them own journey with this thing, yeah. Anyway, with the pan betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one have, oh, someone wanna beat me yesterday because me leave early. If you're new, I tell you now again, I don't force anything, right? I don't force things, you know. If me, you know, feel the thing and whatever. Sometimes I will go and talk and meds and whatever and sitting, but If me not get my energy from una, it's okay. We're not going nowhere. We come back tomorrow and we're good. You know, but I think someone, well, you leave so early for whatever. Nothing was happening. We had a really nice show the night before. It was awesome. And then sometimes these things happen, you know. Remember, you know, this is not radio anymore. You know, this is social media and this is voluntary. So Shanae says, no, I felt personally attacked that you left early. No, remember, so this is social media, you know, so this is voluntary. This is not a structured thing where you're employed and you're salaried and you have to be here from 9 until 1 and these things and whatever. That's not the case, right? So when people come on social media and they go on their live, you have to Just Lee Green. Why you dating these things, sir? Offended? I don't understand that line. I think you need to clarify that statement. I'm not sure what you're saying. Why you dating these things, sir? Offended? Could you revise your statement, your comment, please, and be a little bit more clearer in what is it you're saying? Because what you wrote there is, you know, is not clear. All right. And I meant, why are you saying these things? Don't just leave, so. I meant, why are you saying these things? Don't just leave, so. I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, the sentence structure, particularly with somebody. Sometimes, you know, and I'm not really good with this, you know. That you're enjoying the show. Okay, cool. No, I'm just saying, you know, like, you know, I noticed several, no. Well, you there? Did you leave? Oh, you have to do that. And I understand it. I'm just saying, this is a reminder. Like, if me I do the show, and you know, the energy or whatever, you know, me I just say, all right, call it a night and thing. We juggle for 2 hours and 45 minutes and thing, and you know. Gotta come over and go do some work. I'm gonna put on some work last night, you know. I was on the but me look at thing when me at work, man. Hopefully I can tell you about it next week. Because I did tell you about it already, you know, but a be a problem listen them and give me, you know, but me I work hard on them same way. With the following attitude. Sometimes when things give you a problem, when you work on a project and it give you a problem, you can get kind of caught up in a problem. You can choose to get caught up with a problem and complain and whatever. But one of the ways I would suggest you look for something. Remember, you have some things that give you a problem, bigger problem, and you must just let it go. Yeah. You have something, problem, and the problem mean you must let it go. Right? Some people have issues with that. When you feel like or something, let it go. But you have some other times when you have work on something that give you a problem. And they're good problems. Because my reasoning, you know, if you have work on something, particularly if it's something you bring to the market, you know. If it was easy, then everybody would do it. Yeah, that's my meant. And sometimes I work on something and give me problems and it just stress me. And I just take comfort in that to say, just rest a little bit, go back and pick it up and whatever, because the reason you're experiencing these problems is because what you're working on, the product that you're working on, and whatever, it, I don't know, not necessarily easy for do. And if it did easy, everybody else should have do it. I'm not a fan of Elon Musk and whatever and all these things and whatever, but and he's not a genius, right? Elon Musk is not a genius. People call Elon Musk genius. He's not a genius. But what he has accomplished and whatever, a whole heap of problem that man must have gone through, He must have some sort of psychology, that he uses when he approaches problems, right? For him to accomplish the things that he has done. And again, remember, there's some stuff there that he takes credit for that is not him, the whole PayPal thing, and if him do, whatever, but him tell the person put film name on it and buy them all them something. He's coming out now with these humanoid robots. And he's a big deal, and I'm a genius and whatever. He is literally, who watched the movie iRobot, the one with Will Smith and the robot and thing and whatever. That's what he's doing, and there've been several movies before and things like that, But so a lot of things and Elon Musk is not the first person who come out with electric cars, but he must have some kind of genius in marshalling resources and organizing them in a certain way and whatever, That is yeah. I'm not a fan of him, but yeah, I admire him there. You don't, SpaceX, what he's running and whatever, you don't accomplish what he has, this whole thing. For rockets to go up, they discarded their fuel thing, we push them up and whatever, they discard it and whatever. And he has marshaled resources in such a way and managed the whole process in such a way. You have this incredible thing now when the rockets them go up and them Lego the part that come down and it land and then them reuse, but that again, that's incredible. Some rate him for them something. But there are other things about him that there's things about him that I'm very scared of, This, him have a company named Neuralink. And these people, them love to say something that is palatable to the public, that is easily digestible. And then them really have some other goals behind it. So Neuralink is basically doing like these cutting edge genetic modification in humans. Now he would tell you like, oh, this will help Alzheimer patients, cancer patients. But this is the same man who is very open about some unpleasantries associated with race, right? So for those of you who are familiar with history and you know what the Nazis did for Hermann Goebel, who and all that stuff that they, all them sickening research where them did to create the perfect human being, which they said was a white Aryan person. And how much people them, all them say other people are inferior race and whatever and all them something. And when somebody like him, Mr. Musk, can come out and tell the far right Nazi sympathizing party in Germany, like, you want to stop feel guilty, man, I may support, I want to rise up now, our time now, whatever. Yeah, and when them can push, they say, fling out them people, some of them a cat. You see what I go on. But me not sorry for the people who them fling out, you know. Me not sorry for the people who them call garbage. You see what I go on with that. So me not talk about them something upon me showing them. I just tell you. When I see the people who say are garbage and them all move to Mr. Man move to Mr. Man today and yesterday and Mr. Man. So I say a garbage them. Man, the first time when him did say it, him did I say him never say so. Him never say shit whole country. No, the man I say, yeah, when I remember me did say that down. And the man openly I call them garbage. You know what I say them did up there support the man big time. Big. You know, thing them do and say him them support, you know. Somalian them, you know. And yeah, the man just openly and style them up right here now and thing. Yeah. Me just drop back and them something look at them, you know, them not really too, they're not really tolerant of dissent and disagreement. So you have to be careful. But so me not sorry for them. But me just I say they're pretty open about their goals right now. And for those of you who follow these current affairs and such man from such country basically come out recently and say, yeah, we're done with Europe right now, you know, because right now we are trying to save our civilization and we not save our civilization. We not save una there them think about una value people. Una value people, non-white people. And see, then the whole of Europe a collapse and thing and so we're done with no right now this and that, you know. Yeah, such man come out and say that. We're not deal with no right, you know. We're not defending nothing. And in encrypted language, it basically say, by 2027, we have a Lego NATO. I want to go depend on no one. It's crazy out there. How big some of them there, you know, people. And I know this going to sound provocative. But there's another side to this, you know, and yeah, and I mean, I kind of go in different subject. There's on the other side, if you are, you know, objectively reasoning about these things, there are some things over there where you have some things where some MAGA people and some Trump people, some problem with them have with some things and think me align with them. Don't that sound weird, though? I'm going to tell you why. How many of you know that there's a certain religion out there? Very, very popular religion and whatever. Who, for hundreds of years right now, it's okay for some grown-ass man to get married to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-year-old little girl. How many of you know about that? Know about that religion there, don't you? Let me see if you know. Somebody said them no know. You know how it, yeah? Yeah? People not only to go on, me not talk about nothing in a secret or nothing hide, and me talk open thing, you know. Little girl a ball and thing, you know. Thousands of little girl, you know, because it's in them culture, them just kind of, the little girl a ball and 40 at 50 at 60-year-old man with you know 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 year girl. People, how many of them little girl on a year dead from ruptures in the, oh God, man. And when you in them religion and thing and whatever, the man in the them religion, him married one little girl too. The man when him film name start with M. Him married one little girl too and did David one little girl too. So sometimes me say this to some people say, yo, me share some of the concerns and my maga share too. And we're like, yeah, because some people it's like either or, you know. Is it either upon a side or either upon a side? Is it either upon a side or 100%, either upon a side? No, I am a thinker. This is not about side. So do I have problem with the fact that that is normalized here? I want to talk every day about whether country they are do to them other people, phone people them in the Middle East, but I not talk about the little girl. Them. Do I have a problem with that? Yeah, I have a problem with that. Do I have a problem with talk about what happened to this? But no, and I have not been talking about what women, young ladies, who they have been employing in these Arab countries for how long, many years, and the widespread cruelty and wickedness what them do to the woman, them black women, Indian women, and thing and whatever. Nobody not talk about it. Nobody not talk about when sub-Saharan black African them are lead and I try reach and I go up. So war reach them in a Liberia, war reach them in a Tunisia and whatever this and nobody not talk about them something there. Yeah. So you have some people see them thing there and whatever and them say, oh, but somebody there and something really like what them I do over there, so you know, and thing I mean, yeah, I'm with you there. Yeah. Not to mention what going over here, so where you can't want me your mouth now with certain things and whatever because we're at a time now where a man can say, I choose to identify as a woman. And you have law, we have to recognize that and you put him in a prison and him breed one woman in a prison as a heterosexual man and you see it. And then you say, but we can't say nothing because I'm the same truth. So I identify a man, but you can't do nothing about it. And then him go breed one other woman again. And the one who him breed, him did SAR in there. Oh, but you can't do nothing because him did say that. Yeah, so some of the MAGA people, them see them something there and I say, what kind of madness are going on? We need to take back our country and thing and whatever and thing like that. And me not gonna lie, me and MAGA are no friend, but when MAGA say them something, I say, you know, so I agree with that to MAGA sitting wrong right there, so, right? When we at a point now where man a cuss woman and I tell them say them are more woman than the woman them and them for going and all them something there. I don't know, I probably I get old. Cause there's things out there that confuse me right now, you know. Me say a trans couple get together, you know. A trans man. So I'm born a woman and him change into a man. And the trans man go married a trans woman who born a man and change trans into a woman. And then after them there, the one who a woman now, me don't know how it work out. But after the woman who become a man, there with the man who become a woman, the man breed. The man breed and the man have the belly. And people, so sometimes the same thing, and people say, oh, you sound like you, I'm not, I live your life, you know. I'm just saying, for a lot of people, you know, some of these things are heavy, you know, they're quite weighty, you know. And yeah, and you know, for a lot of people, it's very challenging to adjust to this type of reality. And I'm telling you already, the one where get me the worst now is this thing where you tell parents, say them wicked and evil, because them a call them children boys and girls. And you must call them boys and girls. And you must make your children, your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old, choose what they want to be. And y'all have rough up parents and I send police after parents and whatever because then call them son, and then that, and then that. I'm just saying, for some people, that's overwhelming. And them just like, what the hell is going on? I need to get out of this country, or we need to take back our country. And so some of them arguments, it kind of racism there, because that's the big thing. That'll always be the big thing in America. But then make some argument to some thing where me I just say, so me kind of confused too. So me see me see why them confused. Pick me a come home and then teacher tell them say, them can be this and that and that and this and the picnic go home and tell the parents, and when the parents say so and so, when the picnic go back and tell the teacher, police go for the parents, all them foolishness there. So some of them things that the people them see and say, boy, society I go to the dogs, them say the Dems and the liberals are them are this and that and whatever, and we need to take back the country and we need to do some extreme things right now to take back the country. So that's what's going on. It's called identity politics, it's called culture wars, and there's just this kind of chaotic atmosphere out there where people find themselves in positions of what they consider to be desperation, and so that extreme measures, extreme situations require extreme measures and thing, and then part of it, them just I said we need to fling the whole of them out of our country. Them that look like we need to fling the whole of them out and just take back our country and run back with thing, yeah, man, because them come in as a come this and that or whatever. I be things are going out there. You know what I say? But appearing a man walking at the girl's bathroom in a school because him simple same choose to identify as a woman, and him going there and take out him big wood in front of girls and them not have a problem with that. Like seriously, that making a sense to no madness I go on this. And them are turn around to you, and say, no, you have to respect the person and thing like that. Right? And so I as a parent now, me must teach my daughter to get comfortable with a man in a bathroom and take out him wood who claims that him choose to identify as a woman. So me must comfortable with that, my own mind. I must a blood clot mad. But anyway, come make we laugh, yeah, man. come make we laugh. No, Tory, what I go on? Tory J, big up yourself. I'm going to laugh. Okay? Because don't get me started on them something or whatever. Get stupid, whatever. Yeah, man, I say. Yeah, some madness are going on the people. Something are going on, and then sometimes it may sound like, oh, you just step on one side totally. Me not lie. Me an independent thing. I'm more depend on certain side. I'm an immigrant, so me not go be like some people and go and let me an immigrant and me I like them people or whatever and thing like that. But at the same time, me listen to the other side, and they sometimes them say madness and sickness and racist, disgusting things, and then I have the maturity in thought to hear them say some despicable, sickening, disgusting, awful, insecure, terrible, things and whatever, or some of them is dog whistling, cover up, fix up and thing and whatever, but equally racist and sick. But then there are times they will say some things and I'm like, yeah, I agree with them. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All right, so my Sinalicious. Sinalicious, what I go on? Sinalicious, you're good as you know. Ain't Sinner, how you up to? I saw you pronounce your name Sinner. C-I-N-N-A. All right, people, who they on Betrayal Mixup or any other Mixup on the app. Betrayal Mixup or any other Mixup on the app. All right, Betrayal Mixup. Anybody who betray you, no, or if you betray somebody or any other Mixup on the app. Good night. Hello?
Hi, good night.
Weird. What one?
Raga, I'm so sick. I'm calling you so I can feel better.
Oh my God, man. All right, here we go. Can I just tell you that one of your posts came up.
Really?
And one of your posts came up. And I'm into food lately, right? I'm into food lately. Like I've always been, in terms I'm a traveler and I love study culture. I'm an anthropologist. I study culture. But now I've kind of have like an increase in like food. That's the fun thing. I'm gonna go on your page and a beer cookie I cook, but you can't cook, sure. Sure, you're bad like yours. People, no, sure. No, sure, me gonna say something to you. Me not lie. Me gonna confess something to you, yeah? You see the way you talk and stuff like that and whatever, you kind of, it's like, I guess I unconsciously kind of positioned you more like, like chic, cosmopolitan, New York City, woman who dress in a model type of thing and you're swinging on your boots and whatever. Not necessarily somebody who can cook. And then me I look on video after video after video over here, sure. No, sure, you're going with yourself, man. You have some kitchen skills, there, man. Me not lie. You think up. Me see, me go on video after, but me say, but what on there? Sure got skills, man. And then now, the backstory now, because I see when I video and I say, boy, you gotta cook something in memory of your mother, and me, you get emotional. I'm emotional about my mother. I know, my mother died from me at 15. I don't need more. And then you had kind of explain, I think you kind of insinuated like this cooking thing or whatever, this love for cooking or whatever. You kind of, it's
Came
like it
from
was a
my
sheer,
mom.
yeah.
Oh, that makes I'm gonna cry.
Oh, no, I'm just saying, I am impressed with all those stuff that you cook, and you're sure. And then, no, sure, you think you're easy. You have an eye, your aesthetic taste, you have an eye for nice things, but it's not nice over the top gaudy stuff like, over gold or flashy, but it's just nice quality little things, like you have an eye for stuff like that, which is it's right in the realm that I like. Cause some people them so nice thing and whatever, we buy Louis, we buy this and that, and them have something with too much color and whatever, and it just look awful, and them spend a whole heap of money and it don't look good.
Right.
But you have an eye for nice things and your whole presentation with your food thing. Nah, man, you're going with yourself over there, man. You're going with yourself, sure. You're going with yourself, man. So I'm glad you called for look. Since you're sick and whatever, so I can bless you up and make you know. Say, no, your thing up.
Oh, that just
Your
makes
thing
me
up.
feel so good. I'm crying and laughing at the same time.
But and you know what? You ever hear some people talk about cook with love?
Yeah.
But some people just say it.
Yeah.
You seem to have a genuine love for cooking and the process. You just have this love, like you enjoy it.
I do. That I really do. It's so therapeutic for me.
Right.
I love feeding people. I love hosting and having my friends and family over.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it means so much to me that you watched that video of me commemorating my mom.
Yeah.
And the details of what you took from the video, I'm like, oh my gosh, you're
No,
so nice.
no. And it resonated with me because I'm a mama's boy. I still love my mother, I know, and
Yeah.
my old age and whatever, my mother gone all long, I'm still
Yeah.
Still, so, that resonated with me, and things like
Yeah.
that.
See, I knew this is where I needed to come for a little pick me up.
Oh. No, pick you up and throw you up in a ear too. Yeah? Throw you in an ear and catch you back right, because your cooking skill, but because look, you can't cook better than double actress,
I know I can. She can't
Okay.
even cook.
She can't cook. And
No.
you know who you can cook better than
Who?
all of the
Christina?
ANC. Christina, all of the ANC woman them.
He's
Yeah, you can't cook better than the whole of them. You can't cook better than Del Marine, you can't cook better than Munchie, you can't cook better than Antasha, you can't cook better than Milo, you can't
all
cook
of
better
them
than Joan Ligor, you can't cook better than Nakia, you can't cook better than Java, you can't cook better than the whole of them.
all of them.
Yeah. But Naki be when me drop in, man, tell us a sure better cook than the whole of no need for go look on the something of them was sure cook over there and think. I want to know just accept the truth and done and don't bad mind the thing. Don't bad mind the thing and
Because
whatever.
you know them love to bad mind way.
Yeah, and you don't know say, yo, sure you beat them bad. You say you just a batter them so. Yeah.
Raga, mind you make the people them jump me in New York. Because I can't fight.
You can't fight. You can't fight. No, well, you have to know if you are in the camera, say Ragashanti,
Raga, but you know I'm like this, but you know I'm Jamaican, right? You know?
Yeah, you're Jamaican, don't. So what that mean? What that mean? You, at least you can do what?
Exact. I'm a real bad gal, you know.
Yeah. well, sure, say that again. Me love hear you say it again. What you say what?
I said I'm a real bad gal.
You're a real bad girl. Yeah.
From
Sure.
Maxfield.
From Maxfield. Oh, you mean?
Yes.
Yo, sure. Do me a favor. Just say, any girl test me, kick off them face. Say that.
Any girl test me, them kick off them face.
Well, sure. Chew ain't a bad word tonight now. Chew ain't a bad word.
Claude.
Listen. I need to go An Blenda time.
Me like it. Bad girl sure on them tonight. That's what them hear about. Okay. People dead. Yeah. And for no, oh, you mean? See, then the whole of the
end. For Poppy show, you know.
Talk up, sure. Talk up.
Them take me for Poppy show.
Yeah. I what I mean about
For real. Yeah. And then I said, he's a real Maxfield gal.
A real Maxfield gal and think kick a gal foot and make gal understand themselves. Oh, God. Listen to me. No, but seriously though, like I just want seriously though, I just want to commend you for your culinary skills, and I'm impressed, and the way you do your thing and whatever, and yeah, when you're cooking, and by the way, you have a nice little blend of traditional Jamaican style, with a kind of
upscale,
with a kind of upscale type of thing. So you're not over on the upscale extreme with them cook one little piece of something and put one green leaf on it and then tell you about it. You can't burn me for them, you see. And then one charge you $300 feet on top. But this is Michelin rated and thing. Michelin rated Miraz. You know, say one little piece of sitting, you put in the big white plate, you put it in the middle, and you put one little piece of juice on it, and them always take a idiot and put one little piece of green leaf on it, one little green leaf something. And then them do bon appetit. Maravilloso. Beautiful. I want to move your right and go. Then what that I gonna do?
You leave and you're still hungry.
Me I tell you, itch up in your mouth can and thing and nothing and thing and whatever and thing and you have the whole wicked them and thing. Oh, I entered this place and it was just so fabulous and thing and whatever and this and that. The food was exquisite and thing and when they left white squall and nah, them nastiness and whatever. So me not care for that extreme something there. Right?
Yeah.
And at the same time, I love my Jamaican traditional cooking and thing.
So you
But-
see the perfect blend. I'm the perfect
no.
for you.
Yeah, you have a look. Say, what? No, I heard that.
What you have, didn't it?
No, man, you kind of sneaky now and now. Sneaky now and
So you see, I'm the best of both worlds because I can make you a Jamaican breakfast,
Yeah.
but then I
Yeah.
can also take you to Nobu.
Sure. and is that reflective of your personality in general? Like you can flow gangster and earthy and thing, and at the same time you can be classy and upscale and thing and whatever. You have that flexibility in your personality,
Yeah.
your disposition, your general conduct. You have that too.
Of course.
Oh, watcha. Hold them, sir.
Yeah, I'm telling you too much.
Daniel, you make Daniel nervous. You know, so Daniel said a while ago, she should have hide a man from you.
I don't want your man, boo. I want Raga.
Oh, God.
I'm after Raga. I'm not after your man.
But anyway, no, man, but big up yourself. No, big up yourself. No,
Oh,
so
my
people,
goodness.
when you can go to our video, then on our page, man, she, and again, I'm not saying it's like over the top or it's just astounding. So I want to go over there and say, then
Guys, I'm only just doing it for fun. It's
I
not.
want to go over there and say, then this guy kill up himself. But I'm just saying that I am admitting it. When she talk from a Jamaican perspective, you have this kind of thing. She sounds very uptowny and naive or whatever and thing like, So she don't have a practical thing about her where we used to, from ghetto. So when I see her over there, do I look a cutting and thing, I see her, she do a look a classy thing, them I see they look a unique stuff them she have in her kitchen and all them something there, whatever. I said, nah man, Shara go on with herself and thing and whatever. You see, next week, hopefully by next week, I make an announcement about something that, a soft launch for something. And basically, it's going to be a community. And in that community, we're going to do things and have events. And some of that is going to involve culinary stuff, cooking and things like that. Basically, I want a space where we, TamFam, and anybody else who want to come, that can be our spot where we can do what we want to do without the limitations of social media.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's just exclusively our community and thing with different components to it. That is what I'm putting. So when we're over there now, we can say, yo, today we have a cook-off and thing and whatever, and we in our community over there. So, anybody can, and we can play our music when we want to play our music and thing and whatever. And, all them little limitations that we may have over here. So, and also, have an option to say, for me, to say, okay, this is a business, bam, but still make it accessible to everybody freely on certain level and whatever. So, and if we do a little cooking expo and thing, and then, some people have businesses with it and so forth and thing. There's all kinds of stuff we can do. So I'm just going to facilitate the environment, the structure for that, bring in the people. And as usual, once the people come in, the rest is unpredictable. You never know what's going to happen.
You never know what's going to happen.
And that's when the fun comes in. Hello. All right. See?
Okay, Raga. Thank you.
Not say a word, man. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. Blessings, man. Yeah, man. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Well, I would that in the chat. Well, I would that in my chat. People, I see my brother in the chat. Steely Bashman. People, everybody want to show respect to my general. Show respect to my general, Steely Bashman. And man, no people that say me a foundation. Yeah, me a foundation for nothing and whatever. Steely, a foundation. People, listen to what I say, you know. I still make no found to get man and get woman, you know. I still bashment make no found to get body and get tune, you know. Right, when still I make some mix, you know, long before mix was a thing on all social media and whatever, you know. Yeah, I still make some I don't know for slow dance, you know, I still bashment, you know that, you know, right? When you talk about man who pay them dues and thing and whatever, this and that, I still make some I don't even can spell the word romance, you know. You understand what I say? And the man flexible, the man play dance, the man play oldies, the man play lovers rock, the man play R&B, the man play anything and whatever, you know. And you know what I like about him too? People, you see, everybody who is really good at something, Taki got to. Everybody who know who's really good at something, like, not necessarily genius level, but just really good. You know what they say? It's almost like part of the genius is like, you know, for too conventional, you know, for too like everybody else, and you know, come like everybody else, people say, you know, now you with them different, you know, sometimes him head not good, you know, look like him touch look a bit like him mad, look a bit like me. Me still so, you know, right? You know understand? I say like, there's no two you, right? You know that in general, there's nobody like you, right? Still you have that something that too, you know. Yeah, man, still have that something the way it's like, so now you watch stealing and you say, you know, the stealing not too right and whatever. But people do that with me too. And whatever. And stealing not care. He just kind of like throw himself in him just immerse himself in what him do. Right? So him just enjoy what him do. You have some people just enjoy what him do. Being man stay so too. Beanie Man just, it's like anywhere the music or the dancing or the Beanie, him have in it. Sometimes him have just too enough with it, but it's just him, you know? Still have that something there, right? When you hear people say, yeah, we do this, you know, and we make a living out of it and thing, and we make money out of it, and we have a business part of it, but no, man, we really love this doing, you know. We really love. It's just a love for the music and the culture. For Steely is that person. Steely Bashment is that person. See him in I chat them and tell you, he's that person. Now, I'm preaching to the choir for many of you in my age group who we know about Steely from Dine Kingdom. Come, and whatever. Right? So this is a Steely a decades, I mean, I ain't and thing and whatever. And, you know, me I do talk show for decades, you know, and all them thing and whatever. Me love with me though. Nobody now have to tell me that. All I want to know me, want to know say me love me, you know, me love the company for laugh and entertain people and make them. But still, big up yourself, you know, my general. Big up yourself, man, and big up everything what you do for the culture, man, from Dine Kingdom come, you know. That is the thought now. Do it for the culture, please. People like Steely, I do it for the culture long time, man. Big up the real soldier. Steely, Rory, you know. And all them people, they big up on yourself, man. All right, Steely. Just know some man rate you and respect. Everybody follow him. Follow him, you know. Make sure someone follow him. See me in that bash. Steely Bashman. Follow him. All right. Steely, so where you going? You good, Papa? Everything all right? Yeah, Alonzo Hawk, may he rest in peace. Alonzo Hawk, Japot Wadi, you know, and think. And you, I'm big up all who know Alonzo Hawk, you know, because Alonzo Hawk a big selector, you know, but you see somebody like Steele, you know, if you go South Africa, if you go Kenya, if you go Ghana and I talk to the old ladies them about dancehall and them know Steele. But them not really know Alonzo Hawk. But real ghetto people from Jamaica, you know, we know Alonzo Hawk, right? Alonzo Hawk are really like, you know, our people, them, you know. People who go black and white and all them thing there, whatever, and thing and whatever. We're going to know Alonzo Hawk. And we have to give thanks to Alonzo Hawk because them man, they set it for enough way to do. So, no one not going to know who Alonzo Hawk is. No one say, all right, it's not a problem, right? Watch as Susie say, she still have Steely CD them. A CD, she saying, Remember, I said we're done with CD long time, and she still have CD there. Know that you have people have Steely, TDK, and Memorex cassette here. You have people still have Steely, TDK, and Memorex cassette them here. I want to know about. I think I know the general in I. Big up yourself, man. Everybody wanna follow him, man. Follow my brother, man. All right? All right, big up yourself, you know, Steely. We're there. You know, Ragashanti there and thing, me I go through and thing. All the aisle, them sprinkle and thing. And I forgive me Bigfoot and Boston. None of it no catch and whatever, cause me under the gardens and my mama, you know, Miss Cherry, a guard or wash belly same way, you know, Steely, then can't overpower me, you know. No, sir. And can't overpower me, man, anointed with the full protection and everything. You see what I say? Big up Miss Cherry, you know, still a watch her wash belly, don't. Anyway, what upon betrayal mix up or any other mix up. Zion Train, big up yourself. Betrayal mix up or any other mix up. Come up in the chat right now. Come up in the chat. Master good as? No, Master, you're going good yesterday with your food, them. You're going good yesterday and thing, you know. Big up your cake, them. Big up your gizzard of them. Big up your greater cake, them. And what else would it say? And what else would it say? We say black cake, which is fruit cake. And we say greater cake. We say drops. And we say and we say what? And we say greater cake, drops, and peanut cake. Nut cake, what they want to call it and thing. And you have to be careful how you call it nut cake a foreign, you know, because a foreign become, you know. You know, when I grew up in Jamaica, I don't know where Jamaicans get this thing here from, but we get this thing as a peanut, good for stamina, and you know, whatever, this and that. So Jamaicans read peanut porridge and thing. We might eat, and I don't never drink peanut tea. I bet you don't never drink peanut tea. I don't know about that. But Jamaicans just grew up as say like a raw peanut. When we grew up, you know, the elder them say you must eat some raw peanut, boy, and build up your stamina and thing, you know, shell down the womb, them, when you shell down girl picking the woman. So there's this thing about peanut. Now, an extension from that is, now, when we grew up, now, we love almond. Right? So almond is that whatever. But when them sell them up here and thing, and we never have the luxury. You see, them sell almond, the actual almond that people eat. When we grew up, you know, that never backlash bag or nothing, you know. Nobody never know nothing about that. Nobody never know nothing about that. It's 2 ways we get access to that. It's either we get the actual almond where we eat the fruit of the almond. Can we notice that is not a thing up here in America and England and them something there. They're not into eating the fruit. But for we, the fruit was the main thing. In fact, most picnic people, when we grew up, we eat the fruit and then that's what they see it. But how we get access to the seed now, when the thing was to eat the fruit, and then after you eat the fruit, put it down, take one big stone and clot it ras and bust it out, and then we open it and then we eat the almond in it. That was the only way we get access to that almond. This thing where you say, come on, no way. People just buy the almond and the almond tea, whatever. We never have that when we grew up. That never sell a supermarket and all them something there. Wasn't a thing. Right? The next way is similar to this, but believe it or not, there was a thing when people in my age group can't tell you. When you're picnic, you know, you will walk around, you know, and literally take up dry almond off of the ground when when the people them not look upon, you know. Yeah, man, I will collect them and take them up off of the ground. Almond will dash you out on the ground, like all dead for days and weeks. And we full up, we back them in, you know, man. And we go back our yard and we find a corner, you know. And when I tell them, man, an almond broking session, you know, man. Yeah, man, you are broke and bust all 100 dry up almond and thing and whatever and open them up and eat out the almond where you said where people are buy a shop right now and eat. Those were the days. And that's how we get the almond them back then. So you find, and then no, so peanut, was available, I did have the peanut man them now. On the uptown people, we never really have this. But we did have a thing. There is two ubiquitous man where go around, drive around and thing in a community where we grew up within a ghetto that is like iconic and institutional for we. The fudge man, pop, here comes fudgy, and the peanut man, right? And the peanut man, them used to have one little metal cart, like one metal something, and one cart or them, whatever, and then push it there. Some of them, they push it go around, and it have a whistle. Yo, may I bring it back down? And it have the whistle, and the peanut them in the warm, man. Yes, man, the peanut them warm, man. And when you buy your peanut and your peanut wrap up in a little bag, like a little cone, like and thing, and you throw it out, man. Rub off your red part, that thing. Now eat your peanut and thing. Those were the days, man. Those were the days. I want to them baby girl, Jay. I want them here about. So you find, say, we grew up and thing, and some of you people that say, yo, man, you can't lose half a peanut and almond, man. You just eat up your nuts, them and thing. Eat up your nuts, them and thing. You know, some come up here, man. I went there at Vassar College, man. Steve, him name to me, soul rest in peace. Drew, who never like when me used to call him Drew, me keep on mispronounce him name. Adam, Andre, and Alvic. We are watching basketball. And me don't know what will come up, but the damn Jamaican boy, Ragashanti. I never know me as Raga them time, I know me as Kingsley. But the damn Jamaican boy, Ragashanti, who grew up in a Jamaican culture, I eat peanut and almond, and I said that good for you and get stamina. Ragashanti go say, amongst him American friend them, Steve, Drew, Alvic, Andre, and Adam, Ragashanti go say, yo, anything to do with nuts, man. I'm all about them nuts, man. Give me that nuts, man. I'll eat that up any day. When I know, you know, say, one of them get quiet.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
You know what I'm saying? One of them get quiet to them. I see the people on my side, the man on my side. The man on my side, man, be like, because you know them Americans. Them Americans, we don't see Andre say a thing like that. Motherfucker, motherfucker, what you just... Well, I know, poor me cherry boy, I turn eat it. I'm like, what? 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 Yeah, and I think Adam said, yo, you roll like that, man? I'm gonna say, roll like what? Man, you have a love nut, so
I Mixup and Blenda time.
oh God, boy, oh boy, oh boy. I think I whatever. I said, nah, man, peanuts good for you, man. Peanuts and almond and thing. And so Alvic say, you know, them always use the N-word casually, you know. So I say, like it, you know, like him, I said, yo, this N, huh? And I said, yo, this N on a different, like him, I said, yo, this N on a different tip, man. It's not. You know what I'm saying? Yo, these niggas on some Jamaican shit, man. Yeah. And I'm like, what? And I'm gonna explain. I said, nah, man. We love peanut and almond nuts, you know, and whatever, because them thing they give you stamina and thing and whatever. You know, so I just regurgitate what I grew up with, you know. And then I say, oh, no. And then I say, yo, here in America, nuts is so. oh, wanna call balls nuts? I say, I said, no, and them in the van. Them say, no, we pick it up. I say, no, and them in the van, and them eat balls. I'm tea out. No. And clarify it and thing, boy. Lost in translation. That was one thing where me, that was the second. No, I would say that was the third biggest linguistic misunderstanding that I experienced, in people. That was the third biggest one. I had two bigger than that one there and thing separately, Marcia in the building and thing and whatever, cook up for her, the holiday and thing. What going on in Atlanta there?
But then I'm bake some more cake today, cause Mr. Raga, it was so funny. This guy what me always bake for me never funny. Me see me I wonder if he did it for your live last.
I want him to roll up, no.
You might have some cake, but as somebody ordered from me before. But Ilian, you may come out.
Yeah.
Come about Ilian, make us a bad man and grudgeful.
Mm-hmm.
Why you can't make a good thing last? Why you everybody come on and say me things them look good, and all you could have said is instead of say Marcia good as your kid, there's something them look good. Yeah, you don't see her comment, Raga.
What she say?
She say, Marcia good as things them are be good. I better she can't cook a pot of rice and peas. Yeah, so she out there instead of just say something.
When she said that?
Just not too long. You never see her in our chat.
When she said that?
If you scroll back, you will see.
Ilian too cute said that?
Yes, instead of she said, Marcia, something that look good, she abandoned me. Ilian, me can't believe you. But look here, me send her over my TikTok, go on over there. Because it's not, let me tell you something, you not compare, you love come talk about how your pum tight till it a squeeze you. I'm not show off and boast, me make people tell me.
So what you say, Ilian pum no tight?
Me never say that, but me don't know, me just say. Me now come over, Raga, you know what
but your best guess.
Yeah, Raga, you know what this, you know, set me up today.
Your best
Raga,
guess.
Let me tell you. Raga, listen what me I said to you. You know this, you are nobody over here. Never hear me come over here, come say, oh, me can't bake or me can't cook. You notice that?
Well, that's
so
true.
So till you did that, think me bafan?
Yeah, that's true. Me think a bafan for true. Mm-hmm.
So anyway, Ilian too cute. I want you go over my TikTok and go over there go look for my good up shelly rice and peas. Raga, me want to go over there go look to when I get a chance.
All right, but well I know. But even if you say, all right, if you say you don't want to even comment because Ilian talk and say, down the meaty. She said she mag about down the meaty and it tight.
And listen to what I'm saying.
No, what I say, even if you don't want to go there, so what you think about our cooking?
So listen to for who for cooking?
Ilian cooking.
I am not going to say nothing until I see for myself. Because here's the thing. No. Here's the thing.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go jump up and say, oh, she can't cook or she can't cook. You understand? She must come out and put out her things them like how you put out my things them. So
well, that's true. And you put out evidence.
I mean,
no
so Ilian,
Ilian, with nothing, not even a fry egg.
So me shubot Ilian bad mind, me too, she can't shubot. Where are shubot?
A real Ilian, you know, I'm a charge and thing, but she have a point there, so she shubot and provide evidence, proper evidence. We're not
but we see the thing.
And she in her kitchen and thing and whatever. And you know it's a real thing because we say she need a money and a penny at the same time when the food look good. So you know it's anything real. Because the food look good and we say she need a money and a penny at the same time. So you know it's a lie. And the food look good. And Ilian, when I say no food from you yet, so Ilian, if you're not sure no food, you can't condemn food. You understand? And you're not sure no
Ilian
food.
Can't they, but Sham, Ilian can't then at the cook off. No matter which part you're there, you can't then cook off. Remember, stop and live it, I go there.
Exactly.
And good, you got there here, so she better come good.
Right. Yeah, cause enough of them love talk about oh them front good and then and no good.
A food we are talking about now, work. Food.
No,
food.
me I say enough
Focus.
of them. No, but me I
Focus.
say, yeah, enough of them out there, you know, they have quality front but can't fry your egg good, you know.
Done.
Yeah, I true man.
Yeah, and the man done and start out the good front and when he done he hungry.
Yeah, buff and good front girl.
Not true. Hey, Raga, we then done pum pum.
Them done. Nah, but based on what alien say, no, if we follow what alien say, you have to admit, if I true, then it means you're pum pum intelligent and bright and never school. So you have to admit that one. You know?
Like how me prove me come out and prove me bakings and me gonna prove me cooking span the cook off.
Yeah.
So
Well, if you sort out it, look, anywhere near your cooking skill, then you sort out up there. But it could be the opposite, we don't know.
well, here's the thing, Raga. Like me said, me I know one of them who go come out here, come say, start out good. Me never have no complaints.
But
I wonder if anybody in the chat will get started.
but based on the feedback them when you get and whatever, what you would have said, what would you conclude, man?
I would conclude that I have the full package.
You have the full package. And
I can cook, I can bake, and I can sort out.
That's right. You know,
and I can wash, and I can clean, because you see me make my house clean. Well,
your house clean. Your house clean. Your house clean. Man, I lie, your house clean.
I had one patient ask me yesterday if I have OCD.
Oh, cause you're one of them clean people.
Boy, I mean, I feel always a clean something.
I'm clean or whatever. Yeah. No, are you one of them person where you cook, you clean at the same time?
Raga, let me tell you something. If something boil over on one side of the stove, I remove that, turn it off, put it on another one and clean it. I am not letting it dry on there.
Please. There's somebody in the chat you're going to see. She named Empress Milo. No, I'm serious. Talk to her about that for me and whatever. Talk to
Milo,
her.
you have to clean your stove, yeah?
Yeah, just talk to her. Empress Milo. And when you cook...
Empress Milo say I never met a full package.
Yeah, rotted. I beat you, you know?
I beat Empress Milo. Go clean your stove.
Milo say go clean your stove, boy, you never meet a full package. Go clean your burn at them. You burn at them clog up. Milo, Empress.
I should buy me too. Me can't finish cooking.
Milo said, boy. She said too much black mark upon your white stove. Too much black mark upon your white stove, Milo. You there come boy, you never met a full package yet.
Master.
Brighty.
No.
Yo. Well, anyway. So no, seriously though, what going on in Atlanta then?
Like what?
I don't know, me just ask.
We call bad. It call.
You know, so one time gone, me used to beat on about that until me go down there and because you remember, you know, the other name for Atlanta is Hotlanta, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when me when they used to, well, me know so no, me know no can't deal with snow because as I get local snowfall down there, the whole city shut down. No know for driving on snow. We know that. But one time, God, me used to hear Atlanta people about cold. So me used to say, I want them know about cold. What type of foolishness? You know, so one time me down in Atlanta and a piece of cold come around and me I say, Bomba, that's how you get cold down here. That's how you can't get cold on.
We get single digits sometime.
Yeah, no, but you see, when me go live in Florida now, because you have time in Florida, you know, when it go below freezing, you know.
Yeah.
Particularly up in the northern part of Florida and thing. But even sometime in South Florida, you know, from Orlando come down, you have a look 1 and 2 time, man, where a murder
because
get cold, man.
Some people live at Jacksonville and the other day, them the colder than week, they're at 31.
Yeah, no, man, it get yeah, right, and Jacksonville in Florida, you're going to come right below. And thing. No, man, but one time, I did Atlanta, man, one time or whatever, I tell you, a piece of cold. I mean, never did dress properly, you know, and a piece of cold. No, man, it get cold, man, for true.
Listen, yesterday I go to work and I walk from the car to the door, which is not even far.
Yeah.
My fingers were frozen. It was cold. It's been cold for the last week or so.
Well, no, and it cold up here in New York too. Up at well on, Master.
Hmm?
You know, said you. Well, some people are disagree. Me and you can agree. You know the problem. You know the problem with the Canada people, them, right?
Them sort out no good.
Yeah, them
Sort
sort out no
pop
good.
down.
Canada, right? Canada people sort out them no good. Right across the board, none of them. Canada people, them sort out pop down, them sort out down good and whatever. Canada people sort out boring. It's just not good. And then the whole that weather, if you say that weather, they have something to do with it, you know, because then get one piece of snowstorm yesterday too. I must say yesterday or
Over
today.
Canada, right?
Yeah. Then get up, snow whap them up, man. Deal with them bilious and thing, but you know a regular thing that for them and whatever. But me feel say that have something to do with it, you know.
You think so?
No, because the constant cold just swivel up your things, you know. No, the constant cold, you know, make it, you know, swivel orange ruffy. You know, swivel orange ruffy and sitting and whatever this and that. Maybe you say that reach them up, man, you know, yeah, that beat them. You know what
Hold on there. How old is Tony J? Tony J live in Canada?
Oh, Tory J?
Tony, somebody named Tory J live in Canada. She run away with the Raga.
Me don't know if Tory. No, man, Tory.
Tory look like she live in Canada because she run away.
She run me. Tory run me. What Tory
Yeah,
say?
man, Tory come from Canada. See, she a Jamaican Canadian flag there up there.
Well, I'm a charge, you know.
So Tory J start out pop down? Oh, God. You Raga?
Well, let me think about it. Well, Tory, all this time in Canada, you live, Tory?
You know, see flag, see it there.
She said yes.
She have a Jamaican and a Canadian flag up.
No, but me did think, you know, because me did a rate her a certain way, but now that me know say I cannot, I sort out pop down. Because I cannot see that. No, but me never did, me did that thing otherwise, you know, because she have a look of spiciness about her, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, she have a look of calm, look of spicy thing about her, you know. She have a look of deceptive spiciness about her, the one Tory J, you know. But no, that means she live in Canada. I saw it out pop down.
My God. Are the Canadian in there, Raga? I can't beat them body,
no, they're no good, man.
The next thing again, I when you go find my girl virginity. I when you go look for it.
No, I go Grenada the 27th.
Oh, you make me know if you find it.
Yeah, no, well, I'm making, we need to make a film it, make a record it. Sonia virginity, right? So for people who don't know, Sonia is from Grenada. Sonia up there, Canada. She's from Grenada. And Sonia lost her virginity back at one Anglican church in the town.
And she never find it.
And she never find it back. So I am going to Grenada for the first time to host a wedding reception. I'm leaving on the 27th. I'm going to deal with the reception on the 28th. And on the 29th.
Yeah, I go on that church back.
I go down to that church there and go on that church back and see if we can find Sonia virginity. Perhaps it has been covered by dirt or something, but we might have to do some excavation.
My God.
But it's quite possible that Sonia's virginity might still be back there behind the Anglican church and thing or whatever. But you see what she gonna lose for her virginity do.
In the church, back at the church.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that. That it just means that it was blessed.
Oh. That
yeah, it was blessed, you know. Them some upon holy ground. Yeah, man. Yeah, holy ground.
It could be a good thing.
Yeah, man. Then probably that all.
The one of the cook off, Raga.
No, I'm never lying it up.
And then you have to remember say somehow we do work on Sundays, you know. I mean Saturdays. Sorry.
Hold on. There is never an ideal day to do anything for people.
No, I know.
Foreign, because everybody work every day, so whatever.
Me know.
It's the best day possible. So me
no. Me know. Sunday I gonna be the better day of Sunday. We keep on say Sunday. Really and truly a Sunday you should do it still. Look, everybody's Jamaicans. normally cook on Sunday when they don't cook none of the day weekend. So you probably have got to sacrifice a Sunday, you know, right?
A Sunday afternoon,
I
don't.
think you should do that, you know, because that idea where everybody cook, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe me I got that, but I guess me can probably just watch from her.
No, we can't do it on a Sunday afternoon. I'm telling us, I put the thing together where we're going to do it.
Yeah. If you do it on a Sunday, if me I work any at all, me not go can do it on it.
Oh, you're not? No, that's okay. No.
Yeah, but me watch still. But hopefully me not work.
Hold on, this is what I suggest. If you can't come, you just have somebody represent for you. Somebody, and the person I would like to recommend to represent you in the cooking on a cook-off on Sunday.
Not Milo.
Elaine too cute. What do you say
Oh
about that?
no, I'm good.
No, you know.
No.
Why?
Because Elaine come like she want done me for me baking. She congratulate me. She want done me. No, me don't want Elaine represent me.
You know, think she'd represent you good.
Me no know, because I never seen where Elaine cook yet. Like how she could have made me represent her on the baking because she see my baking, but me can't make she represent her on the cooking and I don't know where she come with.
Oh.
Next thing me go shame.
Oh, see, we don't know.
Because nobody probably don't know if she cook. We not say she can't cook, but we never seen not where she cook yet.
See, Christina say heck no. So Christina is not supporting.
I see, Christina. Let me tell you something about Christina right now. You see, Christina Brown Sugar. Big up yourself, Christina.
Tell me something.
I get nothing to run with. Big up yourself, Christina Brown Sugar, because if one thing where Brown Sugar going to do, Brown Sugar going to elevate you. She going to help you. She going to come for you, come with you. Like last night, you know what she do? She one of the one who say, go support Marcia Goodaz. You understand? She always. Yes! So we think, no, I'm not done Christina. Christina is my home girl. She my charge. Don't do that.
No, when I, she has always been like that, doing. You know?
That's what I'm saying. So it seemed like she's that type of person.
Very uplifting and encouraging and just
so
really
and I meant
nice.
to say that in the comments, I said thank you to her, but I don't know if she saw it.
Yeah.
So now that I'm here and I just saw her, I'm letting her know, you know, I like that about her, you know?
But you know, I say, a banter and Alien did a banter and you out a joke, though. You know, though.
Then, no, I mean, Raga, do you really think I'm serious? Let me make you know something about me, Raga. Let me tell you something about me. You see, even last night when you see me come and I tell a girl to come to the front and I call her and tell her I say I feel stuff. Raga, you know, so I be a joke that, right?
Be a joke that. Of course, yeah, man. But
no, Raga, I can't take a joke,
pick up a joke that them have problem.
But even with Alien, no, me know, then you know, say Alien come over here, I can't down out everybody, so we not have to down her out too.
Yeah, that's true. And you know, so this
thing.
You know, the thing I joke with Alien or whatever, from my Satan started.
Oh, yeah. Me know.
Yeah, can you remember when we did promote the clash and thing? And you wouldn't even come with a punchline.
No, sir.
You wouldn't even come with a punchline.
Raga, music me use and kill people.
No, but you
drop me the argument.
No, man.
No,
but you surprised me yesterday. I never say it to you, but you surprised me yesterday. I'm going to tell you where your boss and you surprised me, you know. Me don't know who you did that, when you did that beat the woman yesterday. You said, come to the front of your class. You're tough like my veranda tile. Yeah.
I can't get saucy when I want to, you know.
No, but yeah, punchline. But you did but you probably are one of them people who
me I feel in mood.
No, it have to flow. You can't just
and
bring it
exactly
up
we can't do the makeup and the put on and the it just have to come naturally. Anything when me I do have to come naturally.
Yeah, well, no, but you can't just turn on the natural thing too, you understand?
That is it.
Yeah.
I love music in Raga.
Yeah.
I love music and I'm a 90s music lover. You see, in the 90s when let me tell you this now. You see, when we were up on the Welcome to Jamrock the other day, when Spraga Benz hit the stage, right? And him start DJ. So me then I front no car. Anytime my DJ them a come on, you know. Number one, me tell everybody say no anywhere me go. Me just found out the other day say my artist are your artist. Me never know that. But this is somebody when me a follow from in my teens.
Right.
Because we come from the same place. So anytime me go nowhere and him there, if me have to buy a VIP ticket, I have to make me happy then I front.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So when up on Jamrock, me make sure me tell everybody, say this is one night where I will fight a bitch. who are
Right.
spot in the front.
Right.
And this
Right.
artist
Nah,
is
no close,
Mr. Louis.
Raga.
Hold on.
Where you bring up Alien for?
Hold on, Alien. Hold on. Go.
Raga, you couldn't let me finish the sentence. You stop me on my track.
Hold on. We should come back to Louis culture. Where I say Alien?
Let me tell Marcia something first.
Tell me
Yeah.
something, Alien.
Tell
me
her
something.
here. Tell her
Let
here.
me tell you one little secret. Yesterday when you come on and I done the lady, hear me sister. And the lady that was say you want a face alien. Me say she see him when you run go put up picture. You remember when you did say that, Marcia?
No, man, I never Java.
You, me say, you.
Oh, yes.
When you say go alien because you don't have no face.
Yeah, when the old lady that done me out and I say,
Yes.
whatever. Me say, go and go look on my page because the whole know I done me are the only one who have picture.
Wait, 1 second. I don't want to know vex. People, you see somebody in our chat, they said yardnology. You see that? Yardnology. Anybody who interested in that Jamaican music, particularly the rhythm them from dancehall and thing, and you want to get a sense of it or whatever, follow that Ph.D. and thing. That person, you're talking to somebody who designed the class Identity and Conduct in the Dancehall Culture at the University of the West Indies that is still being taught. Is me design it and thing and teach it. I love dancehall. I'm born and growing a dancehall. Yardnology. You see it right there. So anybody who interested in a dancehall, particularly from our dancehall, 80s, 90s, early 2000 and thing, when them rhythm they did around the place. When you follow that person, they follow that page, yardnology and thing, them give a nice, a whole bunch of posts over there that deal with the different rhythms them and tell you who make a rhythm them and them something there and things, so they can check that out. Anyway, back to Alien and Marcia. Yes, Alien.
Yes, sir. Marcia, when my sister here last night, she say, the lady that was say you never have no face. Me say she see you, and my sister like you. My sister like you, Marcia. You see, when Raga say Marcia food, so me say after the ton of food, Marcia good all can't even cook a cup of rice. And me say, all right, me I go text her here, my sister, why you provoke her for your friend?
Yeah.
God, let me tell you.
I love what you see, man.
Look good, Marcia. Should I Jamaica? You them me can.
Thank you.
That is so sweet. No, when I'm about to cry.
Shut up.
No, I feel like I said me want to ball. Me want to ball. Me feel like I said me want to ball. Yeah. You see, TamFam love. TamFam love.
This one, no, the cook off thing. Me no cook late, Raga. By 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, my pot land.
Afraid.
No,
If you cook, you cook anytime. If you cook, you cook anytime. If you cook, you cook anytime.
Me just come say the cook off for one Sunday when me off, cause me want for egg, me not ready,
Yeah.
I got in a real life, me not in the night cooking like
No, me
you
cook
not in
early
the
too,
night
Alien, but you can't sacrifice one night.
No, Marcia, basically, Ilya say she hide and cook. She have to cook when everybody asleep. And when we wake up, then see food. She a general.
Alien, man, that's why you cook food.
Alien sister cooking in and wake up her sister before day for cooking food here. Alien wake up her sister before day for cooking food and then come out like a fair one. Yeah. I think.
Empress Milo, we are not Empress Milo. Come over here, look for me, Alien a fight here, now. When you expect the fight and know them showing love.
Yes, surprise them.
Surprise them. Worse, like remember, say Empress Milo and ANC, love war, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But this one on Marcia.
Milo, you wipe off his stove yet? Milo?
Marcia.
What you say, Alien?
Y-
You only have strength for Milo, but y'all look friend from them secretive. The one what talk about run up and done up, you always a cheer her up. You
No, but you don't
Marcia.
understand, Alien. I cheer for the people who cheer for me.
Yeah.
I have to cheer for the people who
Yeah.
cheer for me, and we have to uplift each other. Now, you think that people are gonna cheer for me, and then me I gonna put them down. I don't do that thing. Me not do that something.
Yeah,
Marcia,
that
we
are
not
true.
talk no real life thing. A real life thing you talk about no.
But you
No,
want
but
to
you
be-
no, Ilian, no.
no.
Ilian, about to change up your thing. She'll make a
Nobody with
point.
that, Alien.
If
So
you
you see Milo
counteract
come
it,
now, you
counteract
want.
it.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Alien, be careful,
Marcia, you walk and beg friend too much.
My run up and get done up, Alien. Alien, mine you run up and get done up.
Everywhere she walk and
who
beg
walk
friend.
and beg
You
friend?
know what?
Who me a
walk
walk and beg friend
Marcia.
from?
Yeah,
Who me
she
a walk
said-
and beg friend from?
Yeah, yeah, big friend from the ANC them.
But here where you are do now, no, Alien. Here where you are do now. Are you a walk and a beg friend, Kind of look like you look friend for Milo,
No, me don't
Because as
tell
soon
them
as Milo say, we are not, me and they are good, and as soon as Milo come up and say, when you're expecting the fight and then turn on a show love, no, you're ready for fight.
No,
Well,
me not.
at party.
At party. No box it out,
my
Raga.
man?
No box it out already.
Rush that.
No box it out already.
Rush that and beat that.
No box that out already.
Yo, remember at party, I
Of
know
course.
people.
Yes.
We used to do that at school all the
Jesus,
time.
I know people get beat up because of that, get thumped in a yard because of at party.
Don't it?
My day.
Yeah, no. You see, those
But
were the days.
back to music now, Raga.
Yeah.
Me never know say you love my artist like that.
Louis Culture, I'm a DJ, man.
Hey,
I'm a
you know
cheer,
from
man.
when you know where Louis Culture come from, right?
Tell me now.
You know Louis Culture come from. Same place where me come from.
St. Mary.
Portland, where the Portland.
Well, Louis Culture come from Moko?
Portland, where the Portland. Go from Moko, are you come from Moko? Yeah, Louis Culture that come from the same.
No, when the Moko you come from, I just say Louis Culture.
Yeah, I think we come from. So we know.
Yeah.
So we know, Raga. So I want thing me I tell you. In which part Louis Culture there?
Yeah.
You know, some flag a Connecticut figure show Louis Culture.
Man, don't.
You know,
no,
so when
man.
Louis Culture that UBS Arena with Beanie Man, then take a Beanie Man and Louis Culture, my flag are New York go watch, you know.
See them, man. I'm an artist, man.
I'm a G, you know, some have me did I go best of the best in a me.
Yeah.
You know, best of the best every Memorial Weekend.
Yeah.
So by the time I book my ticket for best of the best now, me look and me see say, Louis Culture that UBS Arena with Beanie Man. That time I book my flight to go to Miami already, you know. Okay,
And you switch and come on New York.
you know, some because of woman buy one way ticket go New York. And God is sure, Saturday night. Miss me flight to if you go to Miami from Georgia, no come down New York, you know.
Yeah.
And me go so boom and go New York.
Yeah.
Got Louis Culture and then left Louis Culture. So the Saturday night me left the UBS Arena. And Sunday morning me fly go down to Miami. Buy next one way ticket go to Miami if you go a best of the best. And then come back for me flight where me did already book the 2-way.
Well, but yeah, I just want to say, big up your gizzard money and your greater cape money, you know.
Well,
No, you're going on one way, but where you fly, but not jiggy sitting here now and whatever. No, but I'm an artist, man.
I'm an artist.
Man.
I love him. Anywhere I go. All right, just if you ever see him, anytime you see Louis Culture again, right?
Yeah.
Just say, you know, Marcia, you're not fitting on more.
Okay, all right.
All right, I'm an artist.
Well, but
No, Raga.
Raga nah go remember
Raga,
that because
no.
him have so many things.
You might go remember.
I never remember.
No, like that, Raga.
Alien. Well,
No.
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 All right then. All right, go on talking.
I'm an artist.
What me like, you're Jamaican, you can ask somebody a question and you never ask it and them know where you
Raga, you
ask
see me I
it.
say no long time.
No,
Pick up
you
that
said
thing
no,
where you say.
Raga, me feel so
No, but Raga.
I am so
Raga. If I
I want to be
eat
free from all change and all
and our
bangles
bangles
and
and
rope.
rope,
Free
free
from all
from our
bars
boys
and
and
all
our
borders
borders
and
and
dope.
dope,
Free to
free to
praise the
praise the
Lord
Lord because we
because
not
me not
praise the
praise the
Pope. So
Pope.
I
So
know you
mind
are
you
wash
a
your
wash
face
your
in
face in
Babylon.
Babylon.
Stop,
So
Raga, because you
me
don't
a
know the
whole heap of
song.
pain,
Stop.
no me a whole heap
Stop,
of
stop,
hope.
stop, stop,
Life
stop,
rough and
stop,
hard, but me
stop.
have to cope. Some take
Me
it
have
on the
only for
level
faith
and
and
some
me
slide
have
down this. Hold on, some
silent
take it
river
on the
runs
level
deep,
and
but
them slide down
Gangali
this.
have to float.
Silent river run deep, but Gangali have to float. I was
I was
born
born
to
to
be
be
Oh,
free.
free.
Gangali.
All
And me
right, Raga,
a
hold on,
Gangali,
hold on,
Gangali.
hold
Hold
on,
on,
hold on,
watch
hold on.
on. Tune for
No, you
tune.
hold on.
Draw next Louis.
Tune for tune, tune for tune.
Draw next Louis.
Big something. All of the girl fruits rotten, she have 25 man and she still not have nothing. The whole of the girl fruits rotten, look how much man she have and she still not have nothing.
Watch out now.
Show me where you go do all give you.
Watch out
Go
now.
on.
Excellent and quality attack. You
All
don't know
right,
that one.
hold this.
Nah,
Man have the
which one?
weapon and a woman have the toll. Y'all nobody make no man take your fee fool. Man have the weapon and a woman have the toll. Tell them say good girl roll. Go on, tune again. Draw next one.
No, me not draw no more. Me
You
not
can't
draw.
beat me. You can't.
No.
You have your back it if. Woman from you are that you gone. Step up in a life and reach a top farm. Back it if. You're not the shape, not the face. Or the good of your
Watch out.
Go on.
Uno better show me uno one. All original dieted bad man.
That's Terrafabulous.
What?
That's
All right,
Terrafabulous.
hear me now.
No, well, I've been through hills and valleys.
That is
I
it.
survived out of the old
That is
gangster
it.
alley. Enough gunshot to make me skip and dolly. When you
When
think me
you
dead
think me
back in
dead
the
back in the
jungle,
jungle,
me rally. Me
well,
will
them
them pop it off. Boy,
Alright, hold
us
on.
back where we rip off.
Hold
How
on.
you get your flat
Hold
straight,
on.
take it off.
Hold on.
Oh, man.
Alright, hear this. Y'all skin out and ball. You know see how your name a call. You know stop mention perpetual girl ball. You know see how your name a call. Are you only man now once and for all?
Are you win the clash? Ilian, what you say?
Tell me a big deal. What me a big deal?
That's a low culture. That's a low culture. A low culture we are doing, Ilian, a low culture we are doing. A gangali we are doing. Hey,
Marcia, if it a clash dancer, Ilian come in a while, a beer buckle should I get
Beer buckle. Raga. Beer buckle
should I get? Yo, lock off that sound there.
Raga. I'm rapping tomato, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, say enough tune me drop on people enough time and then they know say, alright, you remember that tune, yeah? The one I say, you know Circle Africa, right? Come make we Circle Africa. Him and Wayne Rankin. You know that tune, eh?
It is.
That is the land of make me know. You can't draw no Louis tune, I mean, no. Go on again.
No, man, Mr. say you're a Louis artist, man. Big up yourself, man.
Alright. You admit defeat?
Yeah, man, are you win the clash, man? I'm a obvious, man. And things seen, man. Bring up some other people and things.
Yeah, man.
And thing. But big up yourself, you know, Marcia.
Yes, sir.
And big up the ATL massive and thing. And I want you to say goodbye, you know, say sayonara to your friend, what they pop the with you. Okay?
Oh, my friend. My friend in me?
In Ilian.
My friend in me.
Marcia.
A friend in me.
No, man. Me not your friend anymore, man.
Friend in me.
Me just love provoke you because
I know.
Ilian,
when you hear me I go on, you know, just know say no. Anybody will know me will tell you, know. Me have a thick skin. And if you trust me, me not take nothing personal.
Marcia no got the thick skin part. Don't go there, so you try not go down the road there. And me have thick skin.
Alright, come down now.
Alright. Good night, TamFam. Good night, Raga.
All right, boo.
Good night, everybody.
I love you both. I love you,
Raga. Kiss me, baby. Kiss me, baby.
Oh, God. Love my TamFamers, them, you know. Oh, nobody come over here, so me alone for cuss, you know. And me alone for cussing, nobody can come over, come sparks and come go on like say them want come on disrespect the program for my TamFam. Worse, my TamFam ladies, them, you know, we don't play those things around here. Okay. All right. All TamFamers big up on yourself. We is a Tambourine family straight down. Oh, hold on, I'm bringing somebody like about them not coming. You know, big up, big up, heal up, heal up. Let me see. Real mix up or any other mix up or anything you don't want to talk about and thing. You know, we know the flavor over here, we just keep back on. Greetings.
Raga, you lose the clash tonight, man.
Yeah, man, wait the wall on there. Ilian, see J Berg in the chat there, you know. She said, J Berg said, Raga, tell Ilian I was going to look for she when I was there, but you never message her back. So Ilian, J Berg did one link here at Jamaica. J Berg, how you did that do at Jamaica? Look how it just come out. J Berg, how you do? You go back for that body there? Sorry, me just did that ass. You know, me just did that ass. What you say? No, man, you know, she said, she win the class. No, I want to tell you, you know, the Louis, them, what she had drawn, no, regular popular Louis in there, you know. She draw two. Yeah, she draw two sample Louis there where you have to be a Louis culture artist to know them.
Listen. I'm glad you admit the fact when you're done, you know, you say, boy, yeah, you win the clash.
Yeah, man.
We get losing already, you know.
Yeah, no, man.
No, man, when she draw, man, she not normal.
No, but myself, she draw two Louis where, you know, people know the regular Louis, them and thing and whatever, but she draw two Louis where we are saying, no, you have to be a Louis culture to really know them.
Yeah,
to really know them too, yeah. So, you know, see, I think legit, you know. I think legit.
She up to date, man.
No, regular Louis she draw. I don't know, pian Louis she draw.
Man.
You see, if I did Antash, I know I win the clash. Right? Because Antasha surprised her several times, you know, but I don't think she can surprise you this. She don't know them song there, you know?
Yeah.
Antasha wouldn't know them song there. She can't draw a tune from selector them way there and thing, you know. So Antasha, me just attack it out, say you that get beaten this or that, me I tell you, you know. Yeah. And tell I mean no Papa Ants the right beside you too. Me know Papa Ants the right beside you too. All him would get whop up. Right? If I'm a bad chef, you know. But them no know tune like we. You understand? And Tasha no know tune like we. You understand what I'm saying? How are you up to? How are you up to in that Gideon now?
Oh, man?
Yeah.
You know, real life, a sprinter doctor, they say I talk to now, you know.
Me know a man, you know a man or whatever. You turn over the show over there.
I don't know, you know.
Yeah.
Today, I'm going to go and listen to drama, man. Because remember, you're a drama, man, you know. I'm in love with drama. But I tell you, so tonight, I check say that when they clash to they lose the clash.
No, sorry, go man. Sometimes you have to get
we lose our job.
Yeah, man, and build back and thing. But the main thing is that you compete and you never back down like a punk. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So sometimes you go out there, you win some and you lose some and you keep it moving.
Yeah, win some, lose some. You can't win all, I think.
See it there.
And more time you have to draw too.
See, like when you did a doctor bus and things, sometimes you not get no full load and thing, but you keep going. Yeah.
30 at seat and go up, so take a snack at 20 at 15.
See it there.
In a load.
All right, now say a word, man.
Seated and standing.
You see it. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself doing on my G. All right?
Yeah, man. All right.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah.
And people, we got more of them look a clash something here, you know. We're on yourself, man. We got more of them clash thing and we got to have fun. Me just set up a thing, man. We just want it done by next week. And just telling you, and then after me telling you, people big is a soft launch next week. That is the goal, a soft launch next week. And once me telling you, I want the whole and go over there. Because which part we are go, it's online. It's online, and which part we are go able. I'm not begging for patient, and because that's something with me bill. It's me bill it. I'm telling you from now, it's me bill it. So when I go over there with them something here, it me have a little thing. I say, Raga, you need to check out so and so. Not a problem. I just tell you. But we want to whole we go over there because here I know it's when we go over there, we can play with music. Right? We can't say anything. Well, me don't want to disrespect no group anyway, you know? because the law still holds anywhere you are on the internet with certain things, okay? But me just when me tell on the next week, I want the whole I want to go over there and thing. I remember it's something one can just go in, it's free. You have elements of it where it's subscriber, but in terms of just going over there and register, it's free and open, and I pop down. Resilient Lorraine, please to kiss my ass. I that man say I talk about, you know, people who want to come through and then look a negative thing and whatever, you understand and whatever. But one pop down side, like your front. No start with me, you know. Remember, you know, hard me I work on this and whatever. I don't need to hear no negative thing and whatever. But nothing is perfect. All right? Nothing is perfect. And particularly with technology and all them, something that you have to take a little time. And, you know, you have little bugs. That's the term they use in computer world. Bugs, you know. So you have to clean out the bugs and thing and whatever. Really. So. But when I tell you the next week, who that way a flag go over there already? You know, say already, I form 2 group on the thing. I form ANC and SDC. But me not gonna be the moderator. I'm gonna send it to Antasha, Christina, Java, and make them run it, you know? Because me can't be the person, you know, because it's a thing where you can control your group. And your group private. And you can make your group public when you want to make your group public. But the group private, and you can determine who you let in as member. Something similar like Facebook. All right? So, but me I make you know next week, but it's going to be our sitting, TamFam sitting. And we're going to go over there, and it's going to go nice. And we want to keep dance over there. We want to keep cook off over there. We want to keep fashion show. Yeah, we don't just muggling on the clothes on the yard and whatever, this and that and whatever. We want to get creative, right? We want to keep DJ, we want to keep some talent show over there and sitting. We're going with a bag of something. That is the vision. That is the vision. We want to have fun, enjoy on yourself and thing and whatever. And we just grew and, you know, yeah, other vision that we want. And we want to network too. And we want to build friendships that have nothing to do with me. Right? This is one of the things I love with TamFam. From me I do it. I always see people, because of what me I do, they make some friendship and thing. And then them friendship is just so strong and the bond incredible, and them meet real good solid friends. All people married and all and sitting there, and people just have some real good friend and thing and whatever because of the community. So me I say, right? So me I make you know next week and thing, and we just want everybody go over there. Yeah, man, I want a sound clash too. I want me to your correct time. I'm going to get some selection, you know, because that's the other thing too, you know. When, like, over here, you can play, trying to big up, you can play a certain thing, but you can't post it back. Right? You see, all day when I do the DJ Chris Cross thing, you have something that I don't want to post back on TikTok. I was like, nope, you can't do that. You understand? So I them look at something and I said, nah, man. And then when we do all the sub-live them and thing, people want, you know, pre-back that and thing, but it can't juggle back and thing. And in I sub-live them, you have certain song we go with the sub-live them, we want, you know, and can't. So we over there now, we can do what we want to do. Right? When we over there, we can do what we want to do. And you can have your own little space. And you can message privately and meet people privately, right? And on a man can still go in at the woman them inbox and beg them front same way, and the ladies them can just take away their money same way and take. I'm just saying, that's big up yourself, you know. Dawson Elite Services. People. The 119, you know 119, right? He's a troublemaker, you know. You know, 119, the man, right? 119. He might be my real mix-up, you know how much people are suing. But he make one post about somebody who catch one woman I give born at Jamaica, but him hire the services of a company. And then him kind of more make it look like a certain female DJ. But with 119, you have to be careful, you know, because I don't think a she. But anyway, I mean, you know whatever. But me call a link and them I say, yeah, but me call a link and thing and him I say, no, Raga, the company don't have it true. Now that them company up here in America, you know, them the America, you know, all right? Where you can hire people, private investigator and whatever, to track your partner and see if them are born you. And where them go and who them are sleep with and all kind of something. Them they up here a long time. Them all have show with them, cheaters and all them things and whatever. But apparently it's a big thing down in Jamaica now, you know. Yeah. I saw my link tell me, I said, Raga, no man, a good while now it a go on down here, man. You're down at Jamaica. If I have your money and me ear say the technology turn up. The way them track it and put this and that under your car and your car go. And then put this and that, we can pick up the sound them when you talk and all them sitting there. Yeah, me say like if them put the like them have the mic, them have a way for go under the car supposedly and put it up to a point where it approximate like the interior for a certain car. So when you're talking in your car, them can't hear you. And them somebody are going to Jamaica, you know. You can't imagine. You see, I mean, no people, you see me, you know, remember, you know, Raga I had a career as a bonnerman, an illustrious career as a bonnerman. You understand? Yes, I made it take my bonnerman career serious. Right? Serious with my bonnerman career. And my thing was always protect the lady. Protect her at all costs, even if you have to make a sacrifice, even if you have to make a guy clown you out and say, you're idiot, you're this and that and whatever, you protect her, and she will protect you too. So yes, when me hear all them sitting there on Jamaica right now, John, you know, me don't even know, you know, the thing set away, yo. Yes, resilient Lorraine. I had an illustrious bonnerman career. Leave me alone, okay? And it was very good too. That's one of the reasons why I know a woman so good, you know. Yes, man. If you want to really know a woman, or if you want to really know how man steer, ladies, any woman who was a side woman for a while and whatever can tell us, I them no man wicked. Ask any woman who sit there juggle with a man, her choice to be a side man, all right. Them can tell us, I des them no old man wicked. Right? Well, it's the same thing on our side too. You see, we men who have been long-standing bonner men, we know how woman wicked. Well, not wicked, but crafty and genial and whatever. Yeah. We know what the something them do. You understand? But them are going with them thing down at Jamaica, you know, a problem that for all the people, you know, and think if I have your money. Say one resilient Lorraine come make she come up and make a pepper, make a scotch bonnet rash. Lorraine, where you going?
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Come for ball.
What you say what? What you say what? What you say
Come
what?
for ball.
What dirty Raga say? What that disgusting boy Raga say?
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Oh my God.
I'm a love Raga and hate Raga sometimes, you know.
Me I tell you, man, him disgusting. I want him say your front, I Raga say your front collapse.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Well, I retire, but I stand strong. I know it's good.
Don't worry. You're born again front out there. You can baptize it and come back again, renewed.
Right?
Rise like a phoenix out of the ashes and thing and come done people around here. Okay.
No, at 50, I retire.
At 50. What type of foolishness? You know, say you're a young girl.
No, I retire.
No, B. 50.
My ex was here for 8 days and I did nothing. You look at me and say, you're a wicked woman.
For 8 days, your ex did around you? And you're single? You're single now?
And we slept in the same bed. Nothing happened.
Him did draw for you?
Yeah, he tried for the first 3 nights, then he gave up.
And when you just say, well,
Me just cool.
you don't,
Cool.
you don't have no desire, no libido anymore.
I got hurt, you know, almost 3 years ago.
Oh, you not bounce back yet.
Mm-mm.
You think
Cause
you're gonna
guess
bounce back?
what? I go, you know, as you were talking earlier about date down, I tried that one.
Yeah.
And beneath my standards, I went beneath Raga. And let me tell you, the person did me wrong. Guess what? It was like, you know, as they would say, in front of you, Miss Dog, and behind you, a dog.
Mm-hmm.
That was the situation. And I'm happy for myself for going in his phone and, you know, save myself.
Well, no vex though, but after what you see in iPhone.
Oh, I transferred the messages between him and a cousin that he speak to a lot.
Uh-huh.
And I'm not addressed as Lorraine. And, you know, when he speaks to me, he's like, babes, boy, I'm not thinking in life I could ever meet another woman like you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and the big up them and, you know, the
Yeah.
best words and lines and everything.
Yeah.
In the phone. What other address people know? No. I'm trying to remember all Jamaicans know. Such woman, yes. Yo, such woman, this you know, and such woman, that you know, dog. Sometimes I feel like I want to run him down and tab him up, something like that, and I'm like,
No, but was it disrespectful, or did him
it
say something
was
disrespectful after? Because
very hypocritical too, because the
no,
person
was he
said,
saying bad things about you?
yes,
Okay. Because there are people who use the term such woman or such man, but them just not want to put the name out there, but them not necessarily disrespect the person.
Well, some of my friends were trying to say, you know, it's not disrespectful, but I find it disrespectful. And then him said, big woman, yeah, and his cousin, yo, big woman, oh, things are going big woman. And then his cousin was like, tell you what, take the opportunity, you know, and when you get there, when everything govern up, you just stick with yourself.
Well, the cousin advice is whatever, you know, but what I'm saying, because I just want to clarify this.
Yes.
Because what I say is,
Yes.
I'm going to be honest with you. When you juggle certain way and you talk to certain people, certain way, particularly electronically and whatever, you have many instances where you don't want to use a person's name and whatever. And based on the person who you're talking to, you use a particular language that if somebody is not familiar with what is going on, they would think just the terms you're using in the language is just disrespectful on utterance. But with the people using the language, it's not necessarily disrespectful. Because me can't tell it's enough time, me know enough people involved with people and whatever, when they must say so and so, them will say something like, red shirt, it come, you know, you don't know, our big drawers, it debut, you know, yeah, man, they don't know some link big drawers one day or whatever. And they don't necessarily mean disrespectful, you know.
No, my mother was quite a character, you know. My late mom was quite a character. And she used those terms to describe different persons. Like before she died, I remember she had a friend, she called him Barbecue. So when she tell her friend, say, oh, Barbecue, come drop off some money, you know. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
No, but when I say it must necessarily mean that it's disparaging and disrespectful and whatever. It just mean like,
I heard
we
a
talk
lot.
differently, you know, but we don't want to load up with things so we could use code.
I heard a lot, man. Mel cry on Del Marine shoulder. What she did?
But it's different, though, you know, if it's something like, yo, such woman debut or whatever, but you don't know, man, just want to take a food off her or whatever, and the shop bother me for fuck last night and thing and whatever.
No, I didn't hear that.
That is disrespectful. No, but me not know, man. Me not sure. You know, tell me nothing yet for me say.
All right. Let me tell you this now. That he wasn't for me, right, Raga?
Yeah.
His mother. I remember we went to Jamaica. I stayed in Kingston at a really nice place and I was ready to come home. I live in California.
Yeah.
And then he was like, but you didn't meet mama, you didn't meet dad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
him say that?
yes. So I rented another Airbnb in after I closed out the one in Kingston, for 16 nights was like $4,700.
Wow.
And then I rented another one with a pool, a nice house, because they didn't have anywhere to host me, So I rented another one in Old Harbor with swimming pool and stuff. Nice house for 3 days.
Yeah.
And I shopped, groceries. I did everything because, he wasn't able to.
Right.
And mother and father separated. So they got the mom. She came. And, I went and I bought enough groceries and we cooked the Sunday. And, I asked the host for the Airbnb if I could have, more than the allowed amount of people over. And he said, sure. And we cooked and we eat, met mom. When I was leaving, I left what money I had with him because he worked in another island and he was in Jamaica and he said his money was running short because he was building a house.
Right.
So I wanted to pawn his mom something because guess what? I come from Jamaica, I no struggles.
Right.
So because I gave him, I made sure he was okay before he leave Jamaica. I gave him what I had left. When I got back, I sent some money to the cousin and I said, give this to his mom from me. You take this and somebody else. I told him to give money. I opened a can of worm. The mother just kept bugging me for money, and she's sending me pictures of stuff. Oh, get this off Amazon and I keep telling her I live far away in California. So when I'm traveling to Jamaica, whatever luggage I'm taking, I can't carry anything.
So after you send the mother, I think the mother does a pressure you after that.
Man, pressure me for money and my dad.
And I tell you where you have to buy off of Amazon and them.
Yes.
No, mama bright.
Yes,
bright.
and then
So
he did not defend me when the mother and the mother always saying bad stuff about the baby mother. I'm like, find it in your heart to forgive her. She's the mother of your grandbaby. No, I have nothing to do with her. But when the mother want to conquer me, the mother and the girl turn big friend. And then she demand him, like, we'll be on the phone. And she call and tell him to get off the phone with me and come talk to she and baby mother. And she started some foolishness. So, and then I watched to see if he's going to defend me. And he did not.
Well on. So the mother did that go on like she style up the baby mother and thing, but then the same mother now who I tell her forget this and that off of Amazon and I pressure you for money and thing after you give her food. She now I defend the baby mother basically and I tell him to come off the phone with you and go to baby mother.
Cut right there, so give me 1 minute for that person here. That girl, what is your status? You say we love mine, man. Let me tell you something about me. I was a big bumper, look good girl in a Jamaica when man mine. And that's why I can survive and reach when me in a life. Me not used to mine, man.
Oh,
or nothing like that.
I mean, that girl said we love mine.
We love mine, man, too much.
Yeah, when I say no, pay, when you not talk to me, don't pay the chat any mind.
Yeah, financially, I'm in a position
listen, hold on,
now.
hold on. Let me tell you something. Listen to me about the chat. All right? You see, when people in the chat, a lot of people in the chat, they are judgmental, right? I guarantee you, the ones who are the most judgmental, if you ever hear what go on in a film life or with them, how much them was a yammed, how much them get clown out or what them do or whatever, this and that and whatever. Even the people who disagree with you and thing, but them really listen, me like, no, I don't really agree with that. But them not necessarily ever post anything in the chat for done you. But anytime you hear some people get enough up in the chat, the loudest one them, any of you hear what go on in a for them life. The reason why them stay so most often, it's projection, right? And them in a denial. But when
I see people project. I see people doing that projection for real a lot.
So you never get it from that in the chat.
Yeah, I'm just
and an important thing is it make them feel good when they do that.
About themselves.
Right, to pay them the mind. Right?
That's so
Don't pay
true.
them the mind. When you hear the loudest people, the biggest critics them are people and the loudest people them and think if when you never among some friend or whatever and the one who are the most judgmental and think when you find out what she got through in a fear life or the man a beat out her clot or the man don't even look for her and all kind of
That's
shit and whatever.
true.
And them are the biggest, most judgmental when I'm ready for tell you what you do in your relationship and a class you can walk and call up your name. All the time, I prove it. And the one them who no cuss and go on and whatever and thing are for put you down. It's them usually, nobody life not perfect, but it's them usually have it together and just balance and be like, no, and them usually sympathetic and compassionate and say, well, probably I wouldn't do that, but you really need to think about so and so, perhaps you're making a look at me. But them not come out and judge you and beat you.
Yeah, that's true.
But the
that's
one them
true.
who come out and judge you and beat you, for them life, and things always are going on for them life and thing and whatever, right? You understand? Enough of them, we see them woman they are going and pum pum, they have no retention.
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
No.
People come them school and whatever and register and nobody take the class.
Right? Oh boy.
No, but you know my mouth pepper a long time, but I
Right.
be but go on tell you.
But let me tell you why
yeah.
the mother turned against me.
Yeah.
And you know, I got glad for that comment, so I could remember this part.
Yeah.
So I told him, I said to him, me, nah, I no man. So being that we're going to get married, I'm like, me nah married to you. I'm not going to pay all that expense. So what I have him start doing is send his money to me here. At that part, they lick the mother chip.
So
when
when
he,
you say what?
He used to send, when he get paid, he starts sending money to me here. And I start sending money to the baby mother. That part, they lick the mother chip.
What you mean you are sending money to the baby mother? What?
He was sending money to me here in America.
Yeah.
Because he worked in another island other than Jamaica.
Yeah.
And then I was sending money to his baby mother in Jamaica.
How about the backside? Yeah, you know,
No, I'm controlling. Raga, I am very controlling.
What you mean?
I've lived with 2 men in my lifetime and they had to take all their money home to me.
What?
Yes, very controlling.
Well, so you're very kind. You're very kind and you're very controlling.
Kind and controlling, but my control, is like I take care of everything and I'm a business-minded person. So I'm building you, actually. When I take control, I build you. That does sit well with you.
Not a Ross.
I know.
No,
Well,
but but I know relationships where man do that and the relationship is fine. And because the man don't want to deal with that and the woman is just really good
the
at
2
that.
men I live with.
So them just get the woman the money and she deal with it and thing or whatever.
The first man I lived with in the Cayman Islands when I was 22 years old.
Well, and is Delmarine like you?
Oh, no, Delmarine is different from me, nothing like me. No, sir.
Oh, no, me just ask. Well, and you and Delmarine used to go to school together?
No, I attended St. Andrew High School for girls. Delmarie attended Wolmer's.
Oh, your school was better. You know what your ANC, so I have to beat her.
Right, you can't beat her, but she love you, You know you're loyal soldier that.
No, man. All of the ANC woman, them don't say nothing about me around them, Don't get it twisted.
No, well.
And don't come say nothing about them around me individually.
Yes, and she invited me to Africa too.
Okay. No, you will come, man. You know, come.
I'll come on one of the trips, yes, definitely.
Come
but my
here,
son,
here,
let me tell you, my son is autistic.
Oh,
he's
okay.
22 years old.
Right.
So, that's my deodorant. He goes everywhere with me. So,
Seeing.
So I have to find out if deodorant wants to travel.
All right.
But I want to.
Because it's a long flight. It's a 10-hour flight.
Yes, he complain about long flight. I have a lot of miles and they're just here sitting and I hope I don't lose them
Yeah,
'Cause
but autistic people, a lot of them
yes.
don't do well with long flights.
No,
They don't do well
no.
with long.
So I have to know what I'm doing.
Right. Yeah, so go on now. So you said with the money now and thing, him start sending
Right.
you
So
money.
he started sending money to me, and then
Yeah.
like, you know, and the pay stubs.
Why am I send the pay stub to you for?
So me see how much he gets paid, and then you
Well,
know.
and is you ask for the pay stub?
Yes, I do.
No, man, you're out order. You're out
No, I
order.
don't. I'm
No,
not.
you're out order. You're out order.
No.
Then even if he must send the money to you, what you want the pay stub for?
Everything, yes.
What you need the pay stub for?
See how much is coming in, and I
No, if him send the money, him just send the money and say this me make and whatever. And you
but
trust
I
him,
did
right?
tell him how I am. He was okay with
No,
everything.
but what me I say, if him say, all right, as $1,000 me make, so me I send the $1,000. You basically said, no, me need to see the pay stuff for confirm.
Yeah,
So it's really
yes, I used to look at the pay stub.
me and you
That's
couldn't
me.
there. Me and you couldn't there. Me and you couldn't.
I know. Me already read you know. Me don't want you read you up fully read you and see. It wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work.
Yeah, just good friendship, but it couldn't work.
Yeah, really good friendship.
Yeah, when
and
we
thing,
can't
but
talk to
we
you.
couldn't there and whatever. Because my thing is me not, you know, some man obsessed with controlling woman.
Yes.
I am not like that, you know. But you know what I'm obsessed with? Controlling me. To a point where it gets too much sometimes. So I'm kind of paranoid about anybody who come, you know.
Okay.
Because sometimes people don't even mean anything, but you make a look move on to me. It's like, what the fuck? Like, yeah. So me, I could have been good friend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good friend, but we probably couldn't do. Cause
it don't work.
No,
yeah, the two men I've lived with, I mean, they abide by the rules, you know. And
but you're talking about they abide by the rules.
Oh yeah, it's my way or the highway.
Move your blood. Hey, you sound like somebody who can be upfront with. No, man, here's some little thing I come out from you right now. When I said, no, sir, then which man can deal with this woman and put up with her?
No, man did put up with it. When I was 22 years old, I was known in the Cayman Islands. I lived with a man 69 years old, and he had a construction company. And I changed up things. And to tell you the truth, the workers, they hated me. 2 carloads of them came once to the apartment to throw me out. Because let me tell you.
It's a matter about, no, man, you look like you have some collective qualities there that can be, shall we say, a tad bit challenging.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's good. I mean, well, and I could never deceive a man. And if I should say control all the money and we're going to part, I'm going to make sure you're okay.
Wait,
my conscience could not set me free.
You're fear.
And God blessed me with 2 boys. So there's no way. And the second man I lived with, I remember we had an argument. He moved out and then he lost his job. And guess what? He was living with his friends. And I went and I parked my truck and I said, put this stuff in the back. You're coming home. You sleep in the other room. We're not together, but I'm going to take care of you to the end.
Oh. And you're textured too. So you have all these nice qualities, whatever. You say, you know, you confuse people, you know. You
like I reconsider the winner.
No, when I reconsider, no. No, but I can't just say where.
No, Raga.
You see, most people, they're zero-sum thinkers and they have a difficulty in being textured in their thinking, meaning they have a difficulty in appreciating the pluses and the minuses with equally, you know, with equilibrium and things like that. But what I'm saying that some people would confuse a lot of people in relationships, and people wonder like why they stay, and it's because like. Because them see like the toxicity in the relationship. But then there are other elements there where, you know, sometimes those people look at and be like, no, she's really cool here. He's really good here. I know the world don't see it, but he's really good here. She's really good. But she get on my frigging nerves with so and so and so. But yo, if it's that person you want, somebody you want a whole your corner, that's the person, right? You know, that type of thing, you know? And, you know, but for others, it can be very confusing, you know?
Yeah, I've seen relationships that made me wonder, but
Yeah.
I know there's good there. I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad.
Hold on. To be clear, you know, listen to me. In my opinion, you know, them
Capricorn.
say careful who you pick for your relationship, because once you stay in a relationship, you're gonna spend 87% of your life with that person. In my opinion, if a man have a woman who him can trust in a way if he say, yo, this is my strength. You know, for example, like me know if I make the money or me know for so and so. But you see, when for manage the money and for this and that and take care of this and invest that and be creative and innovative with this and achieve that.
Yep.
And if a man can have a relationship with him, know say, yo, yeah, me not care what the world wants, me know that I have with she. And here's the key. And no say, God forbid, should me and her mash up, me know she still not left me out and I care what we go to or whatever. For know that's something there, you know. So don't get me wrong. You know, honestly, I would welcome that with a woman.
I
would welcome that.
My ex that came here, he said to me, I do not know, I don't know California. And you know what? I bought the ticket because he was good to me. In my days of struggling in New York, when I had my son is autistic, his father wasn't there, and I was undocumented at the time. That man was there for me. Even when I got married, my husband got himself in trouble, my American husband, and there was no one to do an affidavit of support for me. He did all that, and he did it for my other son to come from Jamaica. So my loyalty until the day he died.
No, I understand that. No,
even 2022, I was driving across the country to fly to Jamaica because we were about to fly from John Wayne, which is my closest airport. And my son went to the airport. Something triggered him. We didn't get on the flight. And I drove to Florida, parked my truck, and we flew to Jamaica. But on my way, I stopped at an outlet and I said, you know, this is his day. I'm just going there and just shop for that man. Because he's now retired and he bought a place in Jamaica. So he's there most of the time.
See.
My loyalty is until the
Because
day.
him did that for you and you're grateful. You understand?
Anybody, even when I was much younger, when I had my first son in Jamaica, there's a guy, right? Who, you know, I sent my son to private school. That guy pay for school fee. That guy pay for chauffeur service. That guy did a lot, and that wasn't his child.
Yeah.
And my loyalty to him also is until the day I die or he depart this earth.
You know, so a while ago you talk, you got a little emotional about it too, you know? So the sincerity is there, you know?
Oh yeah, it's
Big up, man.
Thank you. Man. So for anyone who read me wrong, you know, I am not a bad person.
Okay.
But whenever you're whenever you want to do anything secretly, it's to self-destruct yourself.
What do you mean?
Remember that. Anybody is in a relationship and trying to do things, you're trying to have your money. As long as you marry a good person, you shouldn't, you know, be keeping secrets or hiding anything. Because whatever you both have is for the both of you. That's how I see it.
Okay. All right, listen, before you go though, you know, when you mentioned the lady in the chat and I made my general statements about the chat and thing, and I did my entertainment thing. Just for the record though, you know, seriously now, what she wrote, she said we. She said the first person plural. I don't know if you had noticed that. Did you notice that?
No, didn't take no. What caught me was the mind man, and trust me.
No,
And
but she
I'm
said we. That was the first word in her
okay.
sentence. She said
Because a
we.
lot of people counsel me about the previous person I used to be, you know? Like
No.
just take.
I know. I'm just wanted to
Yeah.
just make sure. So if that person meant we,
Mm-hmm.
then she clearly wasn't putting you down or anything like that or
Okay.
whatever. You know,
Just we. And
she
it,
perhaps she was identifying with you and say, you know, that's our
oh, and the
fault. You
thing
know,
about it,
we tend to be too kind and generous, and then people take advantage of us. So perhaps
I
that's what
just
she was saying.
try it because
So
you know
hold
others.
on. Listen. I'm just saying I did my little comedic
Right.
thing. That's what
No,
I do.
but
I
me I talk to her now for tell her,
yeah.
you know, what I tried
Yeah,
was
well, talk to her.
it was
Talk to her.
because guess what? I met that person, that island, and while on vacation,
Yeah.
and just how the person talk about my autistic son, you know, caring, and then when I take my son to the island several times, how he treats him, and then you know my son used to elope. My son, you know, used to have these outbursts and stuff, and the way I see him run behind him and go on, me I say, yeah man, I want have the money in America behind, you know, in my corner for my son, for my son's sake. So I remember I even spoke to a Jamaican psychiatrist in the island, and she said, you know, sometimes, you know, you have to date down, you know, as what you were talking about. So I remember when I came on your live earlier and you were talking about that, I said I date down before, and it's, you know, it was a mistake.
Okay.
Usually I am a receiver. So I was just trying with, you know, with a project
Yeah,
that
you
would have
try,
been
yeah, you try,
I
yeah,
thought would
try
have been
something.
beneficial to me,
And it never work. And you have to
and it
keep
just
trying.
never
That's
worked
what
out.
it is. Well, listen, I'm going to bong, man. Bring in
Thanks for
some other
having
people
me.
from. Yes, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
it was a most interesting we segued into several other areas and
Areas all over.
which was it was still useful. It was still useful for the purposes of this show, and I want to thank you for that. I want to say enough blessings to your sons,
Thank
your
you.
son, who, you know, and it sound like
Oh yes, and when we go over the pop down channel, when you cuss me about, I hope he can sing for you guys. He's
when you go
autistic,
over
but when we go over your pop down channel, you know,
yeah, pop down side.
it pop down, but me I go there.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
your word, man. Blessing,
Yes,
man.
and yeah, my son Amari is he does music, and I do support his musical career, and he did a collab with
What happened to her? What happened to her? And what you touch? You touch a mute button or something?
No,
Yeah,
I didn't touch anything. I just watched my screen. It just flashed and it went.
yeah, man. Okay.
Yeah,
You were
man.
saying?
So yeah, bye. But I mean, my son did a collab with Turbulence. So hopefully, you know, we could get some promotion for him over the pop drum
Yeah,
side.
no,
you know?
over the new yard.
All right then.
All right, listen. I'm gonna give you a term. I mean, you hear it before because you're Jamaican. It's a Jamaican term, but some people have actually adopted it for business purposes. But just big yard. Remember that, all right?
Oh, big yard.
Big yard. All right, then, cool.
Alrighty. Bye.
Bye. All right, then, Lauren, cool. And people, the whole on them, I want to just keep that in mind. Big yard. Even somebody coming at the chat and say, "Are you still live?" No, I am not. You are witnessing my social media dopey right now. We're not live. And I want you. I'm coming for you. You know, when it's like, hey, you, alive, you know, but still alive, innit? Are you alive? You never said that something that when I'm talk about somebody I said to the next person, like, no, I'm not going there. It's like, you know, like when you're so and so and somebody unfollow, something like that, if you can do that in a real life and thing. The one Zion tree, remember you the one Zion tree, and I said, Like you want to come defend the Canadian them and whatever, right? You know, but no defense, not there.
What you talk about, Raga? Yo, bad man, me tell you this.
Yeah, we are say though. You better speak with a firmness, you know. You better chat like that, right? You know, like Sizzler, you know, because anything you come with and it not seal up and all them thing. I defend Canada, though.
Yeah, I go cool and dead like resilience a while ago.
Like who, Lorraine?
Yeah, a while ago. You know, she smooth.
Yeah, Lorraine just measured and she just answer and just
I'm a follower and unfollow her and go back to follow her again.
What you say? What you mean you follow her and unfollow her and go back to follow? What you mean for?
When she start talk, man.
Yeah.
She sound like a headspace. So
yeah.
Jump up on her page and thing and all I want pray and thing and I say I'm a follower.
Yeah.
Boom, no, I come on back and hear she talk and that thing and I said, oh, the man have to send her money and have to send him money and I said, hold on, what?
So we ain't just knock her with an unfollow.
That is bad.
Yeah.
And then she said, the man have to send him P.S. Me I said, what?
What? Unfollow.
No, sir. We just go unfollow.
And then someone I know say unfollow when she said, nah, me need the PS stub and whatever. I unfollow, she get right.
Yeah, me I said, no, sir. Watch out now, Raga. Me there with two
no, when I say, oh, you end up a follower back now.
Me there with 2 accountants already and none of them never turn so. They need me, you know. They need the money, but them not stay so like she.
Yeah.
So me I say, PS stub, I'm a whole pay. No, sir.
Like, not even if you send the money, she's like, no, we need a paycheck. And you see how calm she's like, no, I am controlling.
If me I say that the say she take with a straight face, she not a sweat.
Yeah. You know, she straight, man. You know them woman there. Yeah, I met nice like, hey girl, what about blah, 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 blah. You know them woman there with a point be like, are you finished?
See him with yourself.
and you like tempted to say, cuss me back, man, cuss me back. And that come calmly ask me if I finish. You know?
Well, I know. Watch I know, Kingsley. Watch I know. Boom.
Yeah.
Me there school along Maraska Road, see?
Yeah. Maraska Road?
Yeah, man, me there school. Just read the play, man. All right. A smart boy, man. Me there school along Maraska Road.
Yeah.
On the other side of Water Commission.
Don't say alright then, cool.
Boom, now, me do so Anaflex, Knutsford Boulevard, and have a big woman over the tall building there. On Knutsford Boulevard. Woman buy me
Wait,
car,
stop. The man said the other side of Water Commission. Okay, all right, go on, talk.
Yeah.
So,
all right, yeah. So, boom, now, you know, so the cat I buy me car and
what?
You know, my name and everything insurance, I always have gas, school fee, I pay, grocery, I buy. But when you take up the phone and do so, boom, bang.
Warn you, don't.
Upper yard.
Yeah.
Upper yard. So every evening, I have to drive to Barbican cars. Them time there, me are, 21? Woman are 47. Zane?
Yeah, 21 and she was 47.
Yeah, man.
And she buy your car and pay bills and everything, though.
Yeah.
But when she pick up the phone and say, I need you know, you have to jump in the car and drive, go up there. What you think you get the car for? What you think you get the car for?
I got sometimes I do so all a Friday evening, I do so boom and I up for my place, you know. Up on Ninja Man and Bury Someone place, you know.
Yeah.
Come from, you know.
Yeah.
And by the time I reach Manor Park, you know, phone ring, you know.
Yeah.
Me have a detour and go down the so go make a left turn, cause up so she did live.
John.
And you see him like, oh, me I gotta go up the way that like a rage, you know, and I say, yo, me have a life, you know. You know, you have to allow me to breathe sometime and really, you cannot go and say everything, you know. One bag of badness, you know, all if a big man talk all them things in the Raga.
Yeah.
She just sit down and look at me and say, are you done?
And then what? You done?
I said, no, I'm not done. She said, well, I'm finished. And she just take off her clothes and go in her room.
And go in the room and you have to go in.
Talking.
No long talk. A boss.
Yeah.
Make it that attack, run up your mouth, and them thing. They must
So I
think
saw a while ago, I saw me
yeah,
go
my
follow back.
investment. Yeah, my
Yeah,
investment.
that
You know
is it.
what the exchange is when I
That
call
is
you
it.
come. Man, and by the way, there's only a chat we had. Just come in and come service me, man.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
them
yeah,
something,
yeah, yeah. Man, are you done?
yeah. Yeah, just come cut
So
me up and send it up.
when Resilience did it a while ago with our calm flow and all these, she remember and I say, I'm gonna go follow about that girl.
Who follow my memories? Don't leave like people do.
You ever tell her?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna run back and follow up on her by Resilience.
Big woman still raga. You see the Canadian flex, you know.
Yeah.
It depends on individual.
A real thing doing Canada people start to pop down though, and I'm not joking.
No, man. No, and everybody, man. It depends.
Me talk about me know about the woman them.
Raga, which state in the US have the best looking woman them? Most beautiful?
I don't know.
Me give you a hint. I want a cowl state them. Cowl. Not cold. Or frigid. Cowl. When I cowl state them.
Best looking woman. Well, yeah. What woman? You're not a white woman. You're not a white woman. You're a woman.
Woman. It not
just woman in general.
The woman is nicer up the so. That are your homework. But different to what you know.
Well, me in Vermont.
Keep going.
New Hampshire?
No, go west. Go west. Keep going.
Go west. New York?
Yeah. No.
Pennsylvania?
Where you talk, Raga? You say me in Vermont, and I say go west, and you're in upper Pennsylvania?
Pennsylvania is west of me in Vermont. Oh, you mean north? Still stay north?
That is it, yes. Stay north.
All right, New York?
No.
I want to exam New York. No, Michigan. Well, me don't know the Midwest state. Them. Ohio. No, Ohio in the middle.
Left that, Raga.
No, man, you have to tell me. The man says Detroit and Chicago are cities. Hello? All right, hold on. No, Connecticut, no, but it's still border Canada, though.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm say super cool, so you have to stay up on Montana and duck on them place they go
cross. That is it. That you just call it, man.
What?
Montana.
Me don't know nothing about Montana.
Then I tell you some Montana woman then nice.
Oh, so you the part of Canada where you live near to Montana side?
No, and that's what I mean. Me used to live over the side there, but differently. Me travel go up there for work frequently.
Me don't know nothing about Montana woman for true, you know.
All right, well check it out.
What them time good?
Yeah, man. Head space somebody then properly. And
it's funny, but we have stereotypes of Montana like a remote country backward type of place.
No, man, on the wrong.
Okay. Particularly at the border, I would imagine at the border they're quite.
Them up, man.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
So I should go to Montana to find somebody.
Leave me out of your mix-up, bad man.
No, I'm just asking you. Would you advise that I go to Montana to find a good woman?
Yeah, I'm a friend Ragashanti. What you talk about?
So what are you saying? What you say?
Take a tour.
Montana is something I want to go and learn for ride house and them something they do.
Yeah, the man they can't, the chat talk about be asked the bride, be a Jamaican and that chat,
Yeah. Which one of them clash there with, I think, Cartel and Movado. But with Beanie and whatever, like.
No. I threw me upon the thing I with Ragashanti and talk things. Yeah, Kingsley.
What that we just
No, my sister give me a talk, man.
Your sister, boss sister. We are woman a body up in look like you put a half back like it look like you never full back a buckle for putting in a fridge, you know. And she No, man. No, man. We hear the background sound a while ago, man. I want to know them something when you're picking and you drink out water out the back line, you know, full it up and you left look a bit about. It look like you're going to get beaten when you come off your phone.
I'm a sister, man. Big woman
sister.
No,
and them woman that you love, that woman who run off your head you have up there, no.
No, I'm sister.
I'm say,
Yeah.
I'm sister for true.
Yeah, man, I'm sister for you.
You sure I'm a tell you for say so? My name I
Look
whisper
at
that
the
to
resemblance.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say no.
I was about to tell you to look at the splitting resemblance.
the splitting but how are you doing, darling? How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
My name is Ragashanti. I just want to say big respect to you. You know, your brother is really cool. You know, article youth and thing and whatever. You know, good person for reason with that thing. So if it's a quality
But
that
guess
runs,
what?
yeah, it's a quality that runs in the family.
You're-
Then I would imagine that you're quite similar in nature. Correct?
I would assume so. I would
All
like to
right.
think so. I hope so.
All right then, blessings, man. Tell me something. Him they drink out the water out the buckle in the fridge and put him back the empty buckle and you bad him up a while. I go talk it through. No.
No, that's not the case. The
No,
case
man.
is we have one little boy here who have end stage renal failure.
Oh,
So we can't have him on fluid restriction, so we can't have fluid lying around the house and him open the fridge and so we have to be hiding them. So because him have access to my brother room, we hide the water them in a film room.
Okay.
Yeah,
Whoa,
somebody put on a half bottle now. So me ask me if you use it already, someone could have grab another one or get the half one, you know?
Oh, and that is pretty serious. That is pretty
My
serious.
brother room, but only while he's there. Him not go there when he's not there. So that's where we hide the water then.
Makes sense. Well, thank you so much for giving us some clarification there, because we were about to wonder if him and the heavy man has there from somebody.
No, not so. And him and the heavy man, and the 4-year-old.
And the 4-year-old and the heavy man has. All right, then blessings.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Respect it. Nice meeting you.
Yeah,
man. Blessings, man. Respect and honor, man.
Yeah,
cool. Yeah, man. Cool. See, yeah, your sister nice, man. Big up your sister, man.
Yeah, man. I'm a rider that, you know.
See it there. Give thanks. Me have a sister like that too, man. A soldier for me,
Yeah. All day,
see
every day, man. Tell her that, brother.
You see it. Yeah.
And from your year how the jargon set up, say the medical field and things, so
Seeing.
that was arresting at the early part and she rise up now and get back at it right away, you know?
Oh, seeing. Cause look movement I forgot make for the work and thing though.
Yeah.
See it there.
Me as a Raga say me used to beat a little one nurse there.
Yeah.
Zane.
Yeah.
And she do some boom and cut cross and go up in the Canada there and all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Now me I tell her say, seem like how the energy the mad down a yard.
Yeah.
Jaja. So me know say it not have nothing at all to do with the local or the individual, because the place you call, you see the call that the place get active, the thing more active, man.
No, well, in general, that is not true. But you seem to be the point where you are meant doing is that she was like that before she went to Canada. Now, from my extensive research, I know that even when the people them they good before, when them go Canada, them start to get popped down after because Canada just does that to them, you know. Them game just not good. But you are said that she's an
point of view.
Yeah, this is from extensive research, you know. No, man. We love beat the Canadian name, you know.
What about the defend up them thing, man?
No, you know what say? No, I'm gonna ask a weird question. Like, you know, like some people like them lucky in because cool and whatever, so them end up a do so. Like too much cool, like I don't know, that broke my vibes, you know. But for some people do from them just lockdown, I just red or.
But you see, I know outside them there, Raga, inside them there, inside warm, you know. Or out of the cold, you know.
Me know, but hear that question. You know, say you have bored sort out. You say like how some people eat because them bored, them just going in the fridge and them not eat. Them hungry, you know.
Yes, eat it.
You know, you have people who just sort out because the person just dead. It's like, why else for do?
Again, it comes down to the individual. You understand me?
No, what I mean is them not necessarily enjoy it, you know. Them just do it like, all right, my board, I need to sweep the house and
Raga, that are
sort
your
out.
research. That are your research. Me tell you, say, me and the rest of man born at the same hospital. Anytime me I got them row out there, no brother, me always in a one different state of mind, no brother. Big one thing. No matter how bored me is, once they do so boom and step over there, so activity change up.
You ready, though?
Long time.
Well, you never get bored yet and tired of sort out.
No, you mad?
Well, you never one day yet, like.
No, Raga, you have to make your selections properly.
Well, so you think that people who get like that, something wrong with them?
Not necessarily.
Oh.
Because most of the people different. You understand me?
You know, say anything. If you get it too much, sometimes you're like, lad, you need a break from it. You get tired, right? No. You don't think that sort out can fall within a realm there?
Raga, me a 54-year-old.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And my mother is a church elder.
Yeah.
So she always go preach and she are one of them people them where have them most of them people them are living at the blue zone them and all of these things. So you know them are gonna tell us or whatever you do, practice it in moderation and all of these things and whatever. Moderation when it comes to them things, then no moderation.
No moderation.
They would say.
Well, me for real to you know, because I love it, you know, because it's nice. No,
that's psychology.
No. What me answer? There is nothing like Sato. There is nothing else in the world nice like Sato. You know, that's me, whatever. But I don't know, but you know, the people who did just get it, you know, way too much. There was a time when me was let me tell us a right out war, you know, man. Right, but I don't know.
Yeah, most Jamaican man live some other life there in a Raga because earlier.
No, but I say you can't. I find it interesting that there are people like your age who are saying, "No, I never tired of it yet, never yet,
Raga,
whatever." Because there are times when you're just like, "Nah, yeah, just want to chill. Come up with cuddle and just."
When I did a drive forward in the traffic earlier, when he did a say, "Boy, mix up and blend a ray."
Yeah,
me did a good sound off, you know, but I true me that pay attention to the traffic and you know safety first and all of these things, don't?
Yeah, indeed.
But on the same topic there, you know, say, me get a booty call already for Mandeville, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Up the hill, you know, near to the college, you know.
Yeah.
And when me do so boom and reach down there in the night, the only thing what I was allowed to do was take a shower. And you know, so you have to do so 1-4. Because when you do 2, you know, when you do 3, you're not done. So you have to do so boom, 1-4, and just take care of what you get take care of.
Yeah.
Action right away.
Yeah.
You see me I say, them time me out, what? Me in my early 30s, about 32, 33.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for the rest of the night, in the next day, stop for breakfast, back at it again. Whole day.
Why?
You say, Raga, by evening, biologically, a breeze. When they do some boom and bust the shot, breeze, air.
Nothing come out because you drain out. You drain out. So that was by that. How many rounds that was by that time?
We did lose count. I stop count after 5. Stop count after 5. Them time, them age, me call prime. When we used to go on with them age.
Well, so at 30, I can't understand if you're when you're a teenager and you just start, you just can't get enough. You just can't get enough. You could just go and go and go. All when you're done, nothing no go down. It's still up. You just go, right? And you're 6, 7, 8 round and whatever. But when I say at 32, you stop count after 5 round. That means to the point where you have a pop off and nothing there breeze there thing. You're dry.
Look here, the woman there school and nothing. Well, I was of the opinion that nothing ain't go on fair because the school she there.
Well, all them time that she a draw for you to her, you a put it on her and a keep on her go back. Or she want you.
Raga. Me that town, me get a booty call for go Mandeville.
Yeah, but me say by the 4th, 5th round, is she did keep her one more?
Are
you a move to her?
Nah, man, me I go with the flow, man. The lady I make a
Oh,
request and me I fill the requests.
so it look like she make you come and she just say, yo, me just want to shell him out for this too. And then
That is it.
load
Because watch out now.
up
Remember I
on
know.
it.
Remember I know. Me I go back at town the next evening, you know.
Exactly. That's what I say. Probably
And
she
then
say, yo, me just want to get the whole like bruise it up. Bruise it up. Yeah,
see there?
that's the, yeah.
See there? That's what I
Yeah.
talk about.
But that 5 round something, 6 round something that no man any woman come to me with that, man. No shame no man get 5
No.
or 6 round. Go about your business. You're not going to
No,
kill me.
Raga, no.
You're not kill me. What you say?
No, man, you can't say that. That because you're a big man, no. Because we are big
No.
people, no.
Well, no, yeah.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
nah, me not run them joke there right now. You mad?
Oh yeah, you know. Okay.
Nah,
No,
man.
but
Raga,
no.
6:30 morning time you start work. 6:30.
Yeah.
We drive 30 miles go work.
Damn. Right.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So them joke them not run. Plus,
You know,
me not even the wish part of my squad there. So you don't know. I keep it real.
Seeing.
You see me
But
I
you
say?
know, but you have woman who, do it, them who want to come move to you them way they are, at your age and with your big. Because I find that men who are, you see, men whose minds are is expanded in multi-dimensions, right? I find like I have colleagues who are like that, Like, all right, me have a friend, mostly Jamaican friend. As soon as I go around them, I pum them at talk about. Sometimes I just tired, but I don't even want to go around them because it's just pum them talk about, whatever.
Yeah. Because
Right?
them conversation limited.
Right. It's just pum them talk, and but them now, all right, put it this way. I believe the man them who are the best lovers in the world for woman, I believe are the workless man them.
That's debatable.
No, you see them workless man and the man them who what you gonna man me glad them just live for party or whatever, them them not work on, them not ambitious certain way or whatever. I wouldn't be surprised if it workless people them and whatever, at them get it. I put it this way.
That is true.
The people
that is
them
true
who
to an
me know
extent,
like
Raga.
you with responsibilities or whatever, like me take my responsibility. Every day me get up and me just think about what me need to do for my people, them, what me need to put in place. This now, me need this in there, So then my mind depend them something there and whatever. Me I work on this project and like me I tell you me I do it myself.
But me I say no, Kingsley.
So I said because my mind is just so dispersed and all these things and whatever.
Understood.
Yeah, you appreciate sort of, but you don't focus on it like when you was 18, 20. I know you get up and you look for the next skill.
No,
So
but
when I say me come on a woman now who I just that you depend, it's like she not align with me because I love it, But me not love it so much from me when I do it 5, 6 times or whatever. This leave me, man. I know come try and kill me. Yeah.
True that. But what
Yeah.
you know, as men of our age, we are men of culture, right?
Yeah.
What is it that qualifies you to be a good lover? We have to look upon that,
What you mean?
Then you have there are women who would consider coming at your bedside and bending over for 10, 15 minutes. And you go on with yourself, and yes, boy, you go on with yourself, You're a good lover and all of these things. When to another woman, none of that no make sense. You understand?
But what you're saying is all relative, right?
Somewhat,
No. I'm not disputing that.
Yeah.
I'm just talking about the alignment thing. And remember, we are from a culture where machismo is very important, right? Not only from men. One of the things where people know I met a lot of Jamaican women are very, they have this sex priority type of thing, and it is tied into your identity, are you a real man type of thing and whatever. And what I'm saying though that sometimes if you meet somebody with whom you're not aligning in terms of your sexual energy, it's not like something wrong with she or something wrong with you. It's just that you're not gel the way, for complement each other. Did that make sense for me?
Decision making. That leads into decision making.
You understand? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
But when we are 32, Raga, and you
Yeah.
know say you have a catty down a Mandeville, and you there town at work, and you get a booty car.
Well, no,
you gotta
no.
show up.
No,
There are different days that you know.
no,
You're not proving a point because your reputation is known. That is why you get the booty call.
No,
So you show up and do what you're supposed to do. On Friday morning, you show up at work and you get the work done same way. You know, you have
and them time that and them time that was like nothing, you know, 3 in a 1 day, 4 in a 1 day.
Man, simple.
Yeah,
simple,
while out them time there and thing and whatever. But me couldn't do them something now, man. I mean,
No, you're
me
mad.
not talk like not even just have the physical capability. I'm just saying mentally I'm not there. And it means that I love start out, you know. Yeah, man, I love going with bag of sitting and whatever. But me go there with that woman who I go tell me about she want 5, 6 rounds and things. I say the door there. I have things that I work on and whatever.
Well, Raga, watch out now. You see, because of all the things said right now, the chef passed through the various tiers of interviews before she even can come through my door. So I would have found out from long time that she one of them people. So we would need for sure I'm door because she didn't
some of them reveal that later when you know really yeah.
What kind of caution about it? Raga, you hear earlier when my sister come in her room, you hear what she did say first?
Wait.
She said, yeah, sleep because you said the time. Yeah, we work hard.
Well, I look what Daniel
Island you have to work, you know.
Let me show you them Caribbean woman have problem, you know. So you know you say after 5 rounds, right? You stop count, right? And then Nino just kind of move with that. Me I say, yeah, and the woman come to me about 5, 6. And yeah, I said that several times. This is when Daniel put in the chat. So Raga, how about 4? Raga, me I try work with you. You know, we could discuss this. We could talk about this. Look, it's 4 on the table. We could work with. Tell me something. You have a gun there with you?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
You can't put that on the internet, Raga. Yeah, but strappings are gone, yeah.
You know, you select it anytime since you talk to me, like just now?
No, man.
I what the second time here, some what?
No, I have nothing like that. Not metallic. I'm a bed me lie down pan and not metallic.
No, but something go clack clack like when you know when you pull back it. Yeah, what that?
Oh, and my notification, man. Old camera.
Man,
yeah, man. Sorry about that, man.
No,
sorry. We're not the age appropriate phone business there.
No, you know, because you see, there was somebody like me who just naturally fast and absorb everything with him or whatever.
Yeah, man.
Me hear it earlier, you know, I say, you know, that sound like when, you know, you pull it back and sit down.
It actually should be a shutter sound of a camera.
Yeah, no, I know the shutter, but yeah, them don't know about shutter sound. No. We are Kodak people. We're Kodak people.
True.
Yeah, we are Kodak people, I think, or whatever.
Yeah, man. But hey, Raga, you see the same incident the way now?
Yeah.
You know, say that same evening when hey, look at the chat, Raga. Lakrish said depends on the length of the 5 times.
No, she have a point there, so do you know.
Lakrish, let me tell you this, Raga, let me tell you this.
What if a 5 quickie? I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to explain now. That there are women out there who, when they're in a certain state of desire, they have not been for want of a better expression, serviced, because women like those are serviced.
Right.
When they have not been serviced over a period of time,
right?
The level, yeah. So you can't go there about your slam bam, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
All of them old dancehall songs that specifically connotated all of those lengthy sexual interludes. You have to draw for the one of them tune there. You have to play all them songs in your head and with yourself and all of them.
We know you have to go, because you have to go, and me so I forgot. But tell me something. Do you agree with me, right? Say, 15 minutes, we're not talking foreplay or nothing, but like say 15 minutes I sort out. 15 minutes I sort out. A long time, that 15, 20 minutes I sort out a long time.
No, I'm not gonna disagree.
You disagree?
Yeah. Raga, remember say everybody do them thing different, you know.
No, me, yeah, say what. But you disagree.
You see me, I say? You have
So,
some man with a love
like,
man, you know.
No, so
And
you're
outside,
around, you're around like a average round for you is all.
Really, Raga?
Yeah, no, like an average round. Yeah, it's like, no, seriously. No, me want to learn too, you know, because, you know, me want to learn.
No, let me set the parameters.
Yeah.
I am married.
Yeah.
And my wife is not into lengthy drawn outs.
No, but I just mean in general, not anything specific, but like in your reasoning, like yeah.
40 minutes, realistically.
40.
Yeah, 40 minutes.
On average, and
40 minutes are when 40 minutes are like where home girl that was up here before me a while ago. We said she stay good like that.
Which one? Which
So when them mind blowing, you know, when you have Indian go on with yourself and I think about the light bill and you think about your school fee and
yeah, if you not come, right? But when I understand that, you know, like on a special night or a vibes, turn up that night there, whatever.
Yeah.
We know that's a regular thing. But we just say in general.
Yeah, normally.
You are say in general, you say 15, 20 minutes is not enough.
No, man, that's a quickie, man. Anything under 20 minutes a quickie.
Anything under 20 minutes a quickie.
Yeah. Think about it, Raga. With how we are wired as men. By the time you go search out and dig up and turn and twist and fix and all of them things.
No, I'm not talking foreplay and petting and you're
talking penetration, ejaculation.
Wine up in it a go on and thing.
Yeah, then it may say.
I find that 20 minutes long.
No,
No, man, 20 minutes. You in a woman, me not talk, remember no, you know, we not talk when you're 16, 17, 18, you know. Right? You say Latisha, she depend too short. All right, hold on. See them, all right, I want a poll. All right. Who say 20 minutes is enough? Just write enough. If you say it's too short, put short. Let me see something.
You have a certain kind of woman inside.
No, I want to see. No, I want to see. Who say it's enough, put enough. Who say short, put short. Enough, short.
Enough. Bad.
No, man, enough. No, man, a whole heap of enough I come out. And more enough than short I come out, man.
Too short. Away as a Raga. Look for the thing, man.
No, enough short there, but me I say more enough.
30
all
minutes
right, to
good.
the key, put enough. To put enough. See how somebody put 4 to 5 minutes there.
Raga, you did see what home girl say? Home girl with that talk earlier. Short. What a shot.
No, look at Ellie put 45 minutes average. When I nastiness. Yeah. On average, you know, you see the people, them I say, well, we have quite a few short in there.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying, Raga. Because
no, but enough.
The quality of the work.
No, listen to me. No, the quality. No, that's what me I say. But you.
All right, Raga, let me ask you something.
20 minutes out you have got enough time there.
Raga, let me ask you something. In your experience.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
There are a certain group of women who will either bend over or lie down and take it.
Yeah.
They not do nothing. Then just close them eyes and them just revel in all of the goodness.
Right.
Then you have a next set where you better bring your A game.
True.
You understand?
Them active, yeah.
Yeah. One incident stands out distinctively in my mind for the first 20 minutes. I beer things being going on with because I did proving ground in a Raga.
Yeah.
With myself, you know.
Yeah.
You say after about
that the first 20 minutes and she know why you know she make you go and do your thing and make you think say mash up for the first 20 minutes.
Raga, man, looking at the mirror.
And Yeah.
I one of them spot the way have mirror up on the wall, you know. Me I look at the mirror and me I say to myself, yo,
Be
what can you do?
styling, set her so, catch her so, this
Go
her
on
so,
with it.
whatever. Yeah.
Because look now. When my mother and my sister we talked to a while ago, when them used to done with the meals and board, you know, me used to move off one of them and go take a little one read, you know.
What? Me used to thief them and sell them.
So no man. So from a long time we have things in our mind and all these things, you know. So watch you know, when after the approximately first 20 minutes they're done, you know, she look at me and say, she said, all right, you prove yourself. Me sister, you know what you do. Me sister, you a lover, man. But no, I want you like a bitch, like a whore.
Yeah, well, yeah, you have them woman there, yeah.
That, you know what I have to do?
Yeah. You have to dip in your reserve, don't
That another team reserve is like me have to recalibrate my head space because me I say me not even accustomed to woman that talk to me them way there. Them time there.
No, you have them woman, them man. Them man, you choke them and youngster them up and thing and bad them.
I remember say me a young boy and I'm still a try. I get in at the thing, you know, man. So you're not really exposed to all the kid or women them out there. You understand?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You have to draw with spear supply and no say.
Say Kelia say, I want you appreciate this, you know, listen, you know, whatever. I'm a little bit older than you. But listen what me I say no. You see what Kelia girl say.
After 20 minutes.
You start get annoyed. All right. I'm gonna say something to you. You know how much man I do that 30-40 minutes there.
And I do one thing
or
two things.
Hold on, listen. And I have no idea. You see, most women, them know say man go like them tough and them wicked, but them ego fragile, you know. One little thing and them mash up them head, right? And then top of that, most women, them no want the man left and say, the way your society set up is like, them no want the man left and say, yo, a dead F that or a idiot, you know, she can't F or whatever. So most women are focused on ensuring that the man have pleasure. And interestingly, that focus translates into, I'm about to say something now, and I can guarantee you a lot of women are going to say, true, it's true, Raga, true. You see, when you are sat here 40 minutes and you think say you're a star and whatever, I wouldn't be surprised if there are many times some of the women they say, yo, it's good, but it was good after 20 minutes, but them just hold it for you, you know, because it's a big deal for you and your ego.
True.
But you know, means them want go to do all of that, you know. So a lot of women, them just like, them dead and enough for them mind like, Jesus Christ, him can't don't know. Like, yeah, it did good and whatever. Him can't, Lord, him not don't know and whatever, and, you know. And I saw them end up a fake orgasm and all them something there and whatever and thing. And in the meantime, them never enjoy it, you know. It just means like, okay, it's been 20 minutes and you just you know, up in my hole, so and whatever. But them hold it. And them smile for the man and them say, yes, man, you're going and you're the best and whatever. But them not really, them just want him done.
Raga.
Yeah.
You see that same Mandeville run that I made?
Yeah.
Here, all that evening came to a close. When I was like after the last round, I was chilling. So the idea was get a shower, get dressed. All of that was preempted by a knock on the door that sounded like the police. And no, knock. It was a boom, 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 boom. You understand?
Yeah.
When she jump up and start looking startled and all of these things, me I pray her, me I say, I want you. And she say, my boyfriend, they'd say I come here this evening. And so me I said, then, really? So, me do some woman draw on my marina and draw on my jeans.
Yeah.
Because whenever the grand packing in, you know the grand packing go when you go up on ends, right?
The what?
The grand packing. The grand packing. So, you put your shirt, if it's a long sleeve shirt, you put your shirt through your pants. And tie the sleeve them.
Oh,
then if you wear a lace up sneakers and thing, you put the sneakers through.
Yeah, me know, yeah.
All right.
I never know when I name the feet. So I have name feet.
I guess it has different names as you go across the island, don't it?
Yeah.
But at the end of the night, she actually had a man who was paying her rent for the residence where she did live in. You understand me? But the man passed through like once a week.
And him obviously him Sato never balanced like your one. She love your one.
That is the point that I was making, that for every man it's different, and for every woman they have different requirements as well.
No. I know that. That goes without saying. That is just standard.
That is why Raga,
that is just standard.
Raga, big man thing. I see big man right now.
Yeah.
My 20 minutes are different from your 20 minutes, because my 20 minutes is investigative. Me gone from like Odyssey,
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You have to find some undiscovered places, and based on her reactions, I know I'm going to find some sweet spot and I'm going to spend some time.
Well, you know what? Your 20 minutes better than my one.
No, you're not gonna do that, Raga.
No, dog, you just say you're going on an Odyssey. You're going on an Odyssey. Me not go on No,
that's why I know, Raga.
You see your 20 minutes is like Star Trek boldly going where no one has gone before.
Just like
you're one of discovery, your one is like finally conquering Mount Everest and thing, climbing Kilimanjaro. So your 20 minutes is like, my 20 minutes are more humble than that, What?
Kayla _ girl in the chat now, Raga. She have one little man where I go on with himself, like him now meds right. So after 20 minutes, she gonna start get annoyed because him now move right.
Willie, are you actually saying that? Are you saying Kelly? Yes, a Kelly man right now is a pop down start out. Oh God, is a pop down start out our man have done. That's why she don't know what it is.
Because she say after 20 minutes she start get annoyed. Where you gonna get annoyed?
That's why she don't want no more done. Kelly the man I read.
Him now do something right.
A general I read. Kelly the general I read.
Raga, ask the other ladies in the chat right now. Ask them if them get all the right spots being hit. All the notes are being played properly, resoundingly. 20 minutes all right with them? Ask them, Raga.
No. You're asking a different question from what I had asked. That is a question, but it's a different question.
No, man, you did ask about 40 minutes or 20 minutes.
No. You're basically saying if you think turn up and exciting and whatever this and that, you want to. People want it long. That is not that is a separate question, but that is not the question I made it on.
You ask on average?
On average, just in general. No, man, an exciting nights, it's exceptional. People do, and the next day, like, Jesus Christ, what did happen to you last night? We couldn't have done, no, Sammy, bro, so we know that, you want it, it's like, you meet somebody who, the chemistry is just amazing, you can't get enough of them, and you know that time thing that while, if you date somebody for a while, and it build up, and you finally you kill it the night there, whatever, whole night and be a thing.
Yeah, well, so as a country youth, I never did.
Yeah,
we never do much of the casual liquor run business. My thing was usually 8 out of 10 times was always focused.
Okay.
You go on some like a plan move and all of these things.
Yeah.
I remember in the early days, my brother who is now predeceased, him used to make himself available when I go give myself trouble. So if such man pass through and me get caught in a certain settings, I have my brother to defend me.
Seeing.
You understand? So them times when you're in a proving ground, all them things. I mean anything, but you know what? As you grow older, things change, times change, women change. Cultures change.
Anyway. I forgot you see it, and them argument we will people in the box one come in, But anyway, big up yourself, respect for them. Now we have to give you a name, man. What the name of work with? You need a name now.
No, man, I work with Zion Trade.
You work with what? Yeah, work
I
with
work
them?
with Zion Train, man.
Zion Train. All right, Zion Train. We'll leave it right there. So Zion Train. Big up yourself, you know, my boss. All right.
Say a word,
Respect, you
Raga.
know, and bless up your sister and the little one there and thing and so forth. And
True.
we want to say big up all of the women in my Montana. We are go over there for them. Oh.
That's so. After Raga. Yeah, why you about it afterwards?
No,
So.
yeah, I'm full of big chatter and thing and whatever. So I feel a big chatter and thing with no backative to it. Anyway, bless up
Raga,
yourself.
generally still in them woman with the car assessor still in the because when you work the circuit in the oil and gas business, you know, when you work the circuit, you know, you buck up whole heap of woman, you know.
Yeah.
In and out, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to beat the whole of the oil field in the continental US there. Sometimes you go through some town and you wonder the people might look upon you like you're a king.
What?
Yo.
Well, it make you want to let go some of your aisle when you go through there, don't you? Let go the aisle
hey, you don't know who me buck up we over in the Midwest there already.
Who?
That is Screw.
For real.
Big woman thing. Check it out.
Over them side, they were big up, man. That's a word, man. All right, blessings, cool.
All right, bro. Yeah,
Zion Train, yeah, man, cool. An interesting look comments right this one thing and whatever. Aye, boy, see one now come in and now let me just see. All right, everybody, 2 minutes each. 2 minutes each. 2 minutes each, right? I gotta go. Dr. Mark.
Good evening. Good evening, TamFam. I don't have no story to gain. I'm just there enjoy the show.
I was seeing, so I just hear links.
My boyfriend, him named Ragashanti. Say hi, Raga. This is my man. Just say hi.
All right.
He's from 80.
Eh?
He's my manager. He's from 80, but they don't listen, you know.
I will bless them up, man. Big up your manager. What them say again? Sapo saying. So what go what?
I know I'm gone, but them have been name earpiece.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, you know, Dr. Mark. All right,
Respect.
What your hospital name again?
Plainview Hospital. Plainview Hospital.
Plainview Hospital. And is it in Plainview?
Yes, sir. The #1 magnetic hospital.
So where in the hospital you work?
I work on the cardiology floor for the heart.
Cardiology floor?
Yes, sir.
For the
Just
heart.
mainly for the heart. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the at which floor then?
That's on the 3rd floor.
On the 3rd
330.
floor, the cardiology floor on the 3rd floor. Big up yourself and big up the cardiology floor on the 3rd floor. All right?
Big up yourself and big up all the TamFam and big up Daniel. Respect.
It goes some man. All right? Protection, man. Cool.
All right, later.
Love, baby. Love. Cool.
All right.
All right, let me see if I can run through and just go through 2 minutes. Jesus God, not more I'm not coming in. I can't deal with everybody. Let me see what I can deal with quick and leg. Hello. Lock off that thing in the background.
Sorry, my husband was online.
Okay. All right.
Hear him now, cause. Good evening, Raga. How you doing?
What's up? He said the boss locking on the show, no?
Yeah, we're lying down next to each other, locking and so Zion talk, him comment on me and him comment and we go back and forth.
Yeah.
And so remember that one time that when they did do that thing there?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you see what you just said? I like that. So the two I want to lay down and there's a conversation that's going on that is so engaging. It make me reminisce and have discourse. That is the goal of the show and thing, you know? So look at blessings a while ago, so give thanks,
man.
you know?
Which is why I commented and I said, you know what? Going based on what Zion was saying, listen, it's all about energy, and everybody's energy is different.
Yeah.
And he was referring to things that he did in his younger stage. I don't know what age he's at right now.
Oh, Zion?
Yeah.
No, he said he was 54.
54. Okay. As I said, me and my husband going back and forth. So him, if I miss something, go bathroom, I miss something, him tell me.
Yeah.
But just to comment on as I was saying, everybody's body is different. Things and times is different. You know, you have comments of 20 minutes is good for this, 20 minutes. It all depends on who you're working with. And I remember even you, Raga, say 5 times. Raga, Raga energy. It all depends on your energy and what
Yeah.
you're doing in that time frame.
Even when you're older,
I am 47 years old. My husband is 34.
you're 47, your husband is 34, and a 5-round thing is nothing for you, right?
No, Raga.
Eh?
Boy, me dey punish show, me have to talk. Our first year and a half together,
Yeah.
every day, minus the 7 days that I had a period.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Damn.
Energy. It's all about your energy. It's not
Right,
and some
right.
people might say that's crazy in addiction. It's all about how you feel about the person and the person
Well,
around
yeah,
you. And
right,
it's not
right.
necessarily that you'll go overboard. But I can tell you this much. When a man shows affection in the sense that he's trying to ensure that you are pleasured, or what he would say in his words would be, you deserve it.
Right.
Is his comment. So it depends. And it's not no overboard. Like I said, we were both watching and I turned to him and said, you remember the one time you got the hour and 45 minutes? What we did do again?
Damn. Hold on. Oh, you talk about actually inside our living room. Oh, and 45 minutes.
Hour and 45 minutes, yeah. When we were done.
You're not talking about foreplay or nothing. You're talking about in the living room.
Yeah, a little bit of a combination of, but the majority was in the living room. Yeah.
Right.
The majority.
Damn.
Okay, you put on, listen, let me tell you something about Dexter Daps. You put on like a Dexter Daps,
Yeah.
one bag of things go on.
A bill vibe. Yeah, me and
And-
Dexter and Cartel sang them and it, for some people are the proper. Yeah.
Yes, Dexter
Yeah.
Daps, trust. Okay, so I'm in Canada. So I'm known as
Wait, Canada, you there?
Yeah, I live in Canada. So I'm known as the teacher because I used to do events, and I'm known for when it comes to Dexter Daps, I put a chair in the middle of any event when I do
Yeah.
and entertain my partner. Put him on a chair and sit down and entertain him. So that has always been our thing, right?
Yeah.
So I'm known for my DJ because I have my own personal DJ. Big up Master Sean. He knows when you hear him say, "Teacher, your segment now." Dexter Daps.
Dexter.
Yeah, man. Yeah, when
And
you
a
drop
beer
a
things and
when you drop Dexter Daps Wi-Fi, trust me, you can run off a good hour and don't even know say you run it.
Man, don't. When the vibes there and thing.
No,
you
it's all
understand?
about. Yeah, so what I was saying is,
No, I agree.
it's
For
the
me, it's
vibes.
R&B.
Listen.
For me, it's R&B. It's not dance.
Yeah, it's
I know that's
no.
something there, you know?
Oh, trust me, some good old school R&B.
Yeah.
No. Which is why I like Dexter, because he's a dancehall R&B sound.
Well,
I love
yes,
that
him have some of them songs there.
smooth, seductive move.
No, but you see, for me, if you play like Genuine, you know, Pony by Genuine,
Yes.
them type of something there, and
Yes.
the Keith Sweat them and them tune
Yes,
there and
and like
whatever.
a Tyrese. Yes.
Yeah, or them Brian McKnight, they like.
No. Let me tell you one of the few. Chris Brown
A
have
good
song.
Sato song them there, you know.
Yeah. No. Chris Brown have one. When you hear it, come on. Yeah, it's smooth.
Yeah.
It make your move seductive. So you do that seductive type of move, and like I said, 20 minutes is normal for most
All
people.
right.
It's not. It is normal for most people.
What you say, but
No, 20 minutes normal for most people.
Fine.
Depending on your partner. Listen,
Right.
I can speak freely. My husband knows. I've been deal with people, and after 2 minutes, you said, Jesus, God, can't help and come on for me.
Oh, okay.
In the past, I
past.
deal with people. Yeah,
So,
you did people.
but no, but it go back to Zion's point, you know, in terms of the chemistry and who you're with and the dynamics there.
Yes.
Well,
Them come on.
yes. Yeah.
Them come on and them just in out.
Yeah.
The young lady that said she was annoyed after 20 minutes. I can understand what she's saying. If she's that type of person that says, tell you what, 20 minutes is an annoyance, it's not necessarily because her man is not whatever. It's because maybe she's satisfied within 10-15 minutes and she said, all right, I'm satisfied now. No, you just finish off yourself and we're done.
You see, I bounce to other people before me go, but I appreciate that input.
Love the chat this evening, Raga, and I always appreciate your show. You know what? You keep my mind open in the sense of, give me that little laugh at evening time.
Blessing. You just give me a blessing right there, because that is what I want to do. And big up your boss, you know. Boss, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, big up Raga, Jamaican days, man.
Go some man. All right, sir. Big up yourself here, sir.
All right. One love.
Manners and blessings, man. Cool.
There you go, live.
You hear about the inner while you hear about the inner while I go down. General. Won't come in and go me a try to leave and more not come in. But just want get couple of a couple minutes with nah, beat me. I have to leave. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
Not much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well.
No, man. Remember, I me just give people in 2 minutes before me leave.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
so I know hang out, Carl. You know, sometimes me just hang out with you. Eh?
No, me know you like 2 minutes. So.
Yeah. You know what?
Yeah. Me know you like 2 minutes.
Oh, we got jokes now, don't we? Yeah, we got
Me I
jokes
learn,
now,
you
don't
know.
we?
If you get to me, I learn.
Yeah, I learn. All right, me not gonna knock you. We not come back tonight. You know, I love you.
And I'm gonna add her to the list, okay, Raga?
Who?
The Canadian couple will just come off. I'm gonna add them to my list.
For what?
List of people where from Canada who for shout out your compliment. May I add them to the list?
I'm not sure what you're trying to say. You know.
It's okay.
Right.
In 2 minutes up, Raga.
All right, that's the word. Boo. Bless up yourself here.
Bye.
Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. All right, we go see where I go. Man. So I let go people, man. Bam. I'm big up on yourself, you know. All who are watch, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Everybody who are watch, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All I want to know is you. All I want to know is watch. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me right now, okay? Greetings,
Raga.
Yeah. What I go down?
I years, me listening, you know.
Cool, man.
Member from about junior high school days, and time I got junior high school.
See,
and
yeah,
that about 03.
Oh, tree. Then I may grow enough for you, man.
I'm not tell you, man.
See.
But as for the topic, 20 minutes, I want it part time that, man.
Thank you.
That for me, that just too much.
Yeah. Wait, no, but I just think it's a 20. And again, you know the unusual nights are special, okay. But in general, 20 minutes, and we are talking about straight when you're in a living room. 20 minutes a long time that, you know, when you're there, wind up in a somebody, you know.
Somebody time you're there, yeah, meet something and say, you know, so I mash up this. And Raga, it happened to me a whole time before, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say one time I reach my ends, man. Anxiety take me. Jesus Christ, at 2 seconds.
Yeah. Worse it. Like me, I tell people, say you have some woman, them just have that juju there, them just have that poems there.
Yes, man.
Them don't have to do nothing, you know.
My mom's right, so. Jesus Christ, man.
You don't have to do nothing for you going there, man. All them have to do is just lay there and just move them hip 2 times and you pop off.
Raga, two pump.
2 pump. You have woman who don't move because them sitting so good and them want to enjoy that them themselves say them not move because them want him stay there look longer. Because I have some woman just go, then thing just set that way there. You understand? But me think 20 minutes long, man.
Yeah, 20 minutes are overkill, that, man.
Well, I'm not going to say overkill, but me say 20 minutes
for me.
I'm not going to say a quick thing. You know, say you have people who them will do like all 5-10 minutes and things, and them will do half hour.
Me not tell you. And some time them all do all 4 minutes and things, them do all 15.
And think them do 15 and think because sort out is like that. You think so you did that long. But if them did that check the time, them would have realized it's a shorter time than them think, you know. But you have people them just to them do a whole heap of something and them do this and that and it did so and intense and whatever. In a fit them mind, you know. Them think it longer than when them did it, you know, but probably them they just did it like all of 5-10 minutes.
So my time, so alright, yes, alright. You see, if you're there in a good form and good shape,
Yeah.
me can say, oh yeah, you can go them. But a long time I go gym, Raga.
No, the athlete.
So my breathing, it have a hole if you do the breathing, you know.
Yeah.
So you see, if you not breathe right,
yeah.
a quick time, man.
See it there. All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, my boss.
It goes some man,
Skateless.
cool. Yeah, man. Protection, cool. People do remember again, you know, next week me have a nice little soft launch announcement for you, you know. Then me I set up a thing, you know. I set up a yard for all TamFam. So the whole I know who's a Ragashanti, who listen Ragashanti. They will just upgrade the thing and we will expand the thing and just go on content upon content upon content for to enjoy and whatever. So just look out for the announcement the next week, you know, all right? Look out for the announcement the next week. And I want the whole I want to just come in and just like, you know, come enjoy the thing, enjoy the content and thing, right? And remember, you know, exactly, Laurie, and just keep that in our mind. Just keep yard. Just keep that in our mind. Big yard, right? If you're not Jamaican, you don't know what a big yard is. In a ghetto, you always have these, in a communities, you always have these homes, you have a yard where it's a big yard. It's usually a tenement yard, a whole heap of people live over there. Or at the yard where everybody in the area will live all about, them love to come congregate at a yard, they drink beet juice at a yard, they play marble at a yard, they sit down and chat at a yard, the big yard, and a whole heap of people live there, and everybody are washing and iron up and clothes and things. But it's like the yard there is this term that we got from England, we call the square. You know, we say the square. The square has nothing to do with an actual square. The square is just the center of the town, right? If you're in a dance and I'm gonna say, yo, don't pan the land. But you know, the square. So this big yard is like the square, right? Of course, it's a Jamaican term and thing, but that is how we use it. So you know, not if it means that the yard is actually big. It usually is, but the big yard just have to be like it's the center. It's where everybody come congregate and thing, you know. So it's really community. You understand? And sometimes big yard stretch out on the street. You understand? So the big yard out on the street is like the street is part of the yard. It's a ghetto thing. And I like uptown. Uptown people then get close and that's it. In a ghetto, the street a part of a yard. Right? People get them dinner and come sit down outside on the street. Your beard and your powder up and you go sit down on the tree stump and you go play bingo out and you go do whatever. The street a part of a yard. And you always have a big yard in a lot of ghettos where people go play bingo, play domino. Over there, so the most war go on and cussing go on and all. Big yard, you know. Because big yard, people come from big yard have a particular attitude, you know. You can say, no, she behave like she come from big yard, like she live a big yard and whatever, you know. Big yard people are my rare people, them too, you know, you see it. Anyway, people, I digress. Big up on yourself. Remember, if you've not followed me yet, follow me now before you leave. Follow me now before you leave, all right? And again, look out for the announcement the next week. And thing, and big up on yourself in the all TamFamers lodge up. And for who new and you don't know what TamFamers mean, it means a TamFam, Ragashanti, something like that. Tambourine family, TamFam is the abbreviation. We just a TamFam. So if you're in at the TamFam, the Tambourine family, you're a TamFamer, right? And that's why the whole way up, you listen to me and you watch me, and you come listen to me. My day so 6 o'clock every evening, Monday to Thursday. 6 o'clock every evening, Monday to Thursdays. 6 o'clock every evening, Mondays to Thursdays, right? Yeah, so see, Ragashanti live on TikTok. I remember when I forward, don't wait for the notification, just come straight over to my page, put in Ragashanti and come over and things. See? Sometimes I'm a little late, sometimes I'm a little earlier and things, see? But big up on yourself, you know, mile or large upon thing, and everyone I want to bless upon things, see? Protection in our morrows, 6 o'clock tomorrow again, yeah? Out the road.